Oh, that's not the camera that I'm gonna go out with. Quick second. There we go. There it is. Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode. Jeez, what episode today? 477. And I can't remember what I named this episode, even though I just wrote it a couple minutes ago. Oh, Bitcoin dropping again. There we go. If you're catching this from now, live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, please leave us a comment below. Really want to know what you're thinking. There it is. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Drink is in the description.
I'm grabbing my energy drink. Don't start without me.
Yo, Thomas, thank you very much for that, man. You're not able to hear it right now, but I will give you. You're not gonna see it, but
say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you
Legendary.
very
Thank you very much. There it is. Start a stream with the right foot, I guess. That's awesome. Oh man, what is happening with crypto, man? Are we going under the bridge again tonight? Are we going under the bridge again? Are we sleeping there? I haven't started, man. I'm still in the intro screen. Yo, it's an insane day, man. That's what I was replying
You
to, by the
started
way.
without me. WE, I'm over you.
Haven't started.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. There it
Thank you very
is.
much.
Thank you, Thomas, for the kind donation. I was gonna show you guys something. The thumbnail for the stream, so you probably didn't get to see it because I load it right as I come in. So this is what we're going with today. Let me actually switch scenes. You can see it now. I'm starting. There we go. Looks like it's under the bridge again, right? That is what I'm going with for tonight's stream. Cause, you know, a lot of people are just living under the bridge tonight with Bitcoin. Whatever it's doing, right? We talked about this guy. We talked about that it wasn't looking too strong, that we needed to close above certain areas. That, it wasn't getting the feeling, man, that, it was going to go up. So, a lot of people in the house. A lot of people in the house. Let's go roll call real quick. Todd is here. Thanks for being here. Bringing facts. Dude, are you bringing facts? Jake's in the house. Phoenix Rising. Man, my day seemed off without the stream today. I know, I couldn't do the morning stream. I had a lot of calls with clients today. I'm kind of blurry. I know, that's how I look at it. I'm not blurry. You're drunk, man. Come on. I'm not blurry. You're blurry. Hey, man, the myth, the legend. Yes, the myth, the legend. Hollandaise, what's up? Mohammed, how's the guy suck? Arbel, Christopher. Gavin's in the house. What's up, Gavin?
What's up?
Never felt better about a decision. New cam? Yeah, it's a new cam. I've had it for a couple days now. For some reason, I did something with the other cam yesterday, and I forgot to put it back in. So, have a good day. Yeah, Gavin's having a good day. Gavin closed his Bitcoin long that was giving him nightmares and a lack of sleep. I hope he did good at it. He needed like 55k to come out break even, so he closed it around 52k. 51 and change, 52k. He's probably good. Choco Bo Coco. Thanks for being here, man. Not risking it. Yeah, look, there's like, why would you put yourself through stress, unnecessary stress, by logging a project? I mean, anyways, Spy killed you today. Spy versus Spy. Ooh, I should use those for an intro. Not sure if Matt's gonna get angry at me, but there we are. Alex, what's up? Jeffrey, hey. People still coming in. That's why I'm waiting a little bit. Let's start rolling. I'm not sure if Thomas now got his energy drink. Thomas, I hope you have your energy drink, man. Hope you can have to like go around to the 7-Eleven to get one, cause watch me on your phone, bro. Bitcoin bounce off 45k, small support. We'll talk about when we get to Bitcoin. Dimey, he never shorted Bitcoin. Just angers the gods. Yeah, I would agree with that. Until you're gonna have a show. You thought you were gonna have a show tonight. What do you mean I was gonna have a show tonight? It is tonight. I am live. I'm not sure what you're talking about there, John. I am having a show tonight. Hey, showing the doubters. It's legit. We'll see. Let's look at market cap. Let's look at total market cap. So let's go. Again, moving down, right? Moving down. Not the hottest looking thing. Alright, guys. I'm still getting used to having everything on the other side. I can short Bitcoin right now. You guys want? Don't. Christopher Walsh in the house. No. Let's keep rolling, man. Anyways, market cap. What are we doing? We're rejecting. We got out of a rising channel. We already hit that measure move. We're good. We're golden. The measure move of this. So let's get it out here because we've never placed it here actually. That measure move on the breakout, and then I'm just gonna shift it off to the side. There we go. We already hit it with the wick and the bodies, and still going down. Again, we had the bearish divergence. We're expecting some action to downside, and we weren't sure if we're going to trigger or not because we've just been following it for the longest time. We said, look, my trigger, at least it's trigger. Don't, Gavin. Don't. Don't ask Jake what he's longing. He's probably longing Bitcoin now. It's 5 times long on Bitcoin. Liquidation below 39k. Jesus, Jake. How many X are you using? Yo, you're insane, man. And you thought I wasn't gonna have a show because I'm not late. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I've been having problems with the stream lately. So every time I've been starting it for the last couple days, it's not giving the quality, and then I have to end it and then start it again. So was trying to fix some stuff, and apparently it started off properly. I hope it remains properly without drop frames. Yeah. Spy, Tesla. Sure, let's put those on the list. $5X. Oh, you're pulling Gavin. You're going with 5X. Awesome. Just hit a crypto. Can you do bat? Batman. Do. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see it unless I get up on the chair. But here's the bat right behind me. So, yep, we can do it. Let's move. Let's start going through market, right? Again, moving down. Market cap. On the daily. Starting to create some hidden bullish. Will it trigger? Not sure yet. We'll see. Could bring some stagnation, right? Could be potentially good for the market. Stagnation, sideways motion. Neutral at 51.25. That's it. That's what we have right now. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And it's starting to build, right? Like if we pull up a little bit, we might lose it. If we drop a little bit more, we'll still have it. We'll see how it keeps on building up. So neutral at 51.18. Well, let's go to Bitcoin market cap. Just a Bitcoin, right? At $874 billion. No longer a $1 trillion asset. Sadly enough, we might reclaim it. Might take a little bit for it to be reclaimed, but we'll see. Total market cap without Bitcoin, $523 billion, which again, it's not that. Yeah, the short term, it's undecided for Bitcoin. It's I'm not. I told you guys yesterday. Some people were asking me, "Are you bullish on Bitcoin?" I said the long term, I'm bullish. Short term, I'm not. I'm not overly bearish either. I'm just undecided. It's really not clear what Bitcoin wants to do right now. So it's a period of indecision. It's a period of waiting. We're waiting before we determine if we want to sell and take some profit before it drops more, or we buy more because it looks like it's going to pump. So we're waiting on Bitcoin to determine what it wants to do. Anyways, let's go to Bitcoin dominance. It's 62.54. So again, it's just gaining a little bit of dominance today. 0.17%. That's weekly futures at 47,000. Price of Bitcoin at 46,932. It would drop to 46K. I don't have 45K. Someone said 45K. I don't have it here. Bitcoin the way up. Double bottom. We'll see. We'll see if we have a double bottom, right? 7 shorts. Thanks for being here, man. And talking trash. 42 in the corner. Yeah, see, even in the chat, there's a lot of mixed feelings, right? Usually, when we were bullish, everyone was like, Bitcoin's going to go higher. Bitcoin's going to go higher. It's a bull market. Right now, we're starting to get that mixed feeling of some people saying it might go lower, some people saying it's going to bounce. Even the chat has that feeling of like, we don't know where it's going to go, right? And that's fine. It's not bad that we get that feeling sometimes. Low, negative, less negative, right? So we don't have any hidden bullish here. Even against the RSI, we're going higher and higher. Broke this area. I even left a big mark here where we wanted to close above, right? Yesterday, we want to close above here. So we could open here, have double support. I told you guys we're going to find resistance and that we might move down. We did move up, hit that 50,119. And we're moving down from there, right? So we knew we were going to have resistance and we weren't strong enough to sustain higher prices. That slight bullishness was fine. Pushing back down. So, moving down, where are we at? We broke support at 49,691, 48,218, and 46,834. Right now, we're trying to hold support at 46,834. Well, we broke it, pushing back up. It's good. But again, a little bit of indecision. We had a spinning top. It fell red. The feeling for Bitcoin on the short term could be short-term bearish on account that the market has decided to go for a drop after a spinning top, meaning that we could either go for another spinning top to try to bounce this again, or, might find a decision at this level. The market doesn't know if it wants to drop or pump from where it's at right now. We might be able to find support today at 46,834 before we actually look into dropping or pumping, right? Again, indecision. If we drop from this area, we're going to have support at 45,467. That's it. Not a lot happening. We're just dropping. We could be talking of like making a flag of sorts, right? If we tighten this a little bit, I'll go to another chart that I have over here. Cleaner, right? This is something I was playing around with, showing Gavin yesterday. An idea, potential idea. Look at where it's at, Gavin. It went to 336, man. Remember we were talking about if we failed to bounce and get above that 76, we could just get that flag drop to there. And we could see a drop to 43,000 maybe before we actually try to bounce. If we are going to do this again. Again, Gavin yesterday came up with the idea. And he sent me a 6-hour chart and said, look at this and look at what's happening right now. Is it similar? And I said, yeah, it's looking similar up to here. Right? And I was telling him, look, the drop here happened over 4 days. We had a 4-day drop here. Had a four-day drop, right? Boom, 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 boom. Now we pumped for 2 days. Found resistance above that 786, and then we dropped to the 0 line. So what I did here, more or less, this is not a real fib, right? I'm just guessing where the market can go. I said, okay, so I'm going to take the high to low, right? I measure the high to low, and I put that same thing in percentage here. And that's why I get fibs that are being respected also, which again is just curious that we're like hitting those areas here as fibs, right? Like here we found some support. Now here we're finding support, and now we're going to see if we want to find support here, 43,437. If we do here and bounce, geez, man, then we could be looking at a potential move again to the upside, right? But, you know, Gavin and I were like, you know, trying to figure out after the stream. He was like, what's going to happen, man? I get along. You give me some data. I was like, let's extrapolate stuff. And like I told him, look, I don't got the best feeling, dude, you know? It's just, I'm not so sure. Like, I mean, we could try to bounce. We could try to bounce along that line, the line we have over here, right? That line. We could try to bounce along that line to the upside, but like, even then, like, I'm not convinced that we're going to be bullish, right? It just doesn't feel bullish right now. So short term, we're on a short term. We're moving down. It's fine. I'm not really worried. Look at the month. The month's still super bullish. Bitcoin 65K in April. Maybe, Jake. Maybe, right? We could take a drop, right? There's nothing wrong with getting pullback, with consolidating. We haven't got a good pullback, right? So when I zoomed out and I wanted to show you something, guys, it was here. Look at the flag we made, right? Flag down sloping. Here, it's not looking like a flag, right? We impulsed up. It just looks like we're just crashing, right? It's just coming down hard. We're not flagging. It's very steep for it to be a flag. Don't like this as a flag. I don't like this as consolidation. It's just pullback. We're getting pullback. What's happening? We just got a day break before we actually continue to the downside. Potential target at 43,000 here. Let's go to the main chart that we look at. That is fine. Again, we're retracing. We have other areas for retrace on Bitcoin. I think we have it up here actually. Here we go. Where do we anchor here? I think it was in the 1 hour. We went high to low, and now we're below the 236, and we're trying to hold support on a major fibs from low to high, right? When we had here low here to high here, right? Low here to high here. We're hitting that 382, and we're slightly breaking below it. We're trying to hold on support at 47,174, slightly above it right now. But if we fail there, we do have that 50% retrace here at 43,957. That could be a potential area, or we can try to find something for Bitcoin, right? So on that note, again, rejection yesterday. Looks like we want to move down slightly still. We'll see today how the market comes. Again, Bitcoin sometimes is unpredictable. I'm thinking it might still go red. We'll get shorter timescale data, see if we have something that could help us out determine what we might be in for, right? Someone has double bottom. I don't think we have it yet. Look at this. It's about a almost 3.4. Yeah, I mean, up to 3%, we could be targeting double bottom, maybe 4%. We're pushing it for what I would like to see as a double bottom before we actually do reversal. A lot of projects had double bottoms in the 1 hour, and they're not working out. And if we go to this chart here, and you'll see what I'm going to do in a second, low, high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing bullish. But if this is to be a double bottom, again, if it is to be a double bottom, it's not there yet. It is not confirmed. Let's get this going. If this is to be the double bottom that we're looking for, and it would be actually better if it actually comes down here. And although it sounds counterintuitive, if it closes around 46,000, we're much closer to this bottom, and the double bottom will be looking a lot better, right? And then we get this very, very well defined W shape here, right? We could get something like that. So, with that said, again, this is something I'm looking for right now as far as this goes. So it's a possibility, right? It is a possibility that it's making a double bottom. Again, we don't have a well-defined top here for this double bottom. Usually we want to see that spike. We have a small M top, right? Again, looking like this short term, looking like a double top sort, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll do it smaller time scale for you guys to be able to look at this, right? So this will be one top, and then this will be another top. We want a double bottom to make a W shape. So again, double bottom, if that is it, we are breaking. This will be the neckline, right? Again, this is a well-defined, not neckline, that will be a well-defined break point, and we're looking at about a 15% drop, I think, and then Adam double top. So let's see where would 15% get us, man. Where would 15% get us to? That's close enough. 41,400, right? We're still in the 40Ks. If this double bottom is to play out, right? That would be a target for that double top, sorry. Now, if this is double bottom, right? If it is to be a double bottom, I don't like them when they but again, this could be our confirmation line, and we still have to make this bottom part, right? This would look like an Eve, sorta. Might be an Atom. Not sure yet. We don't have it, and we'll be looking at a 33% rally, so. More around there. Look close enough for us to do this line. This will be a potential target to the upside, right? If we do a reversal and we don't drop all the way down here. So that's yeah, it's a good evening, right? So thank you all for being here. The false flags in the house. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. If you like what we do, hit a like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. To everyone that I haven't said hi to. What is up? Sorry, guys. I'm cut up on the Bitcoin chart. Actually, it's looking interesting, right? It's looking interesting. We have it at two plays. See, and this is part of the indecision that I'm telling you. We have a double top short term, right? I just pointed it out here. Right? It's right here. 1, 2. But we could be making a double bottom of sorts right here. So which one's gonna play? Which one's gonna trigger? We already hit the confirmation line here for the double top, and we could be moving down a 15% drop, maybe to around 41,500. That is if this plays. Now, if this doesn't play and we make it top here, we could be looking for a double bottom here. And again, it's just not showing that indecision that I've been telling you guys about. We're not getting clear reads on Bitcoin, right? At least some of the guys might be getting clear reads on Bitcoin. I'm not getting a clear read on Bitcoin. For me, it's like, I don't know if I want to pump or drop right now. It's just like stagnation. That's why yesterday's title was struggling, right? Bitcoin struggling. Some people came in and said it's not struggling, blah, blah, blah. You know what? Failing to break and failing to drop at same levels. It's stagnation. It's struggling. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Struggling to determine its move. Wrong. This Bitcoin on the 4 hours, right? Again, not doing anything bullish, not doing anything bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We had the support line. We had this bearish divergence. We put it down. We pumped. That's fine. Look, you could say, oh, we went higher. That is good. Bitcoin going higher. Wait, first of all, I have no counter here, if you notice, right? Because the counter would have been here. It's gone because I had too much data, and after I finished talking with Gavin yesterday, I just didn't save the charts. I just shut off my PC, and I was like, I'm too tired to like clean up. So I'll just go with whatever I have today. So that's why I'm gonna have data missing on some parts, maybe the bottom parts, but the top parts should be there. Anyways, look at this: high, higher high, right? High to low. I'm ignoring this two small doji, two small bars, not dojis, two small bars here, or columns of negative momentum. Right, I'm ignoring them for my analysis. I'm choosing to ignore them because they're not strong, and they could be just gibberish, right? So on the account that I'm considering to be gibberish, I'm looking at this. I'm saying, look, we got a cross here, but we already determined we're below the 200 moving average. We would have loved to have gotten that above that 200 moving average, right? And just so you know, we'll bring this out. We'll confirm 200 moving average. You'll see that we're below. So MACD strategy is a no trigger right now. Bitcoin in the 1 hour for MACD strategy is a no-go. Right, the 4 hour we haven't looked. So let's go back to the 4 hour real quick and look at this. We're above the 200 and we're getting across. Although we're just undoing it, if this maintains itself above the 200, which right now is sitting at 42,900, and we get another cross, we could be in for a potential rally, right? That could come with maybe making that second bottom that we're projecting here, right? I mean, we already have that bottom, already determined that we're at a 3, almost 4% higher from one bottom to the other bottom, right? So it's fine. It could play. We just need to get that reversal. We need to break that confirmation line, and we could see that move to the upside for that double bottom to play. On the 4 hour, if we get that cross, this dropping maybe and then pumping could get us to get that cross above the 200. And with that, we could be looking for another bullish pull on Bitcoin, maybe to the 60K, 60 plus thousands, right? So that being said, let's go to the 1 hour chart. So we talked about a bit of the MACD strategy. We talked, bullish bearishness, what Bitcoin has. Here, again, create a strong bearish divergence, move down again. Low, high. Low. Yeah, this one's lower. Low, high, low, high. All right, I'm going to ignore the divergence right now. I'm not going to trigger it. I'm not going to say it's going to trigger. I want to be reserved right now on my Bitcoin call for a move. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Short term, nothing. I might go to the half hour, see if we have something there. I would rather find something in the shorter time scale right now than go with something that might not play from a larger time scale. Low, lower, low, lower. Nothing. Negative, more negative. Nothing on the half hour. On the 1 hour, what I was looking at, and I'm going to tell you why I'm not going to call it, is from here to here. Right? That would be the previous low, and this will be from here to here. And that would be some hidden bullish. I don't want to call this one because I do believe we should be anchoring from back here, which is the lowest point on the RSI. But being that would just make them both go up, I'm not so confident that that's what Bitcoin wants to do right now. It could, we've been dropping right for the better part of the day, since 7 in the morning, over 12 hours of just downwards motion with a little bit sidestepping here, again, breaking, opening below, closing out at support and then opening at support and breaking it down. So again, broke back above it. We might not want to drop below $46,834. We already have found support in this candle there. I mean, if we want to start retracing, 48,218 would be a target to the upside, and the 20 moving average at 49,147. Then after that, 49,691, and then after that, 51K, right? Oh, 50K psychologically, and then 51K. What? Jesus. What
Cheers
the
to no
hell?
more open long smile.
Fatality.
Jesus, dude. Legendary, man. What the hell, dude? Gavin. Jesus, man. Oh, gee. Wow, that's insane, man. I hadn't seen any fatalities pop up in the longest time. I was like, that's cool, man. I just haven't seen fatalities pop up. I was like, Gavin coming in today, killing me. Jesus, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Legendary. Thank you very much for that, man. Hail to the king, Gavin. That's it, dude. Thanks, dude. Cheers to no more open longs. Dude, yeah, you did yourself a favor. I think you're doing yourself good with no more open longs. That's Seamus call, dude. That's Seamus coming now. Look at that. Seamus. New desk coming. Yar, the false flag knows it. So, Seamus is out. Something that's gonna come through, so I'm waiting a little bit for that to play. Jesus, Gavin, you're killing me, man.
Martin,
Thank you.
please could you give an idea if we'll get to 48, 49K in short term? My long stuck in there and I don't want to sell to lose. BTC going lower.
Right. Jesus Christ.
Roll a dice, get lucky. Seamus is cute. $100 for Soka and $100 for Jake out of
Sure,
this one,
man.
please smile.
Yeah, man, for sure. I'm writing it down, right? Jesus, dude.
Fatality.
Audience,
There it
say
is.
with me.
Legendary, man. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. First Alex, now I'll do Gavin's there. Because, you know, they just came back to
Say it
back.
with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much. Dude, really appreciate it. 100 to Soka, 100 to Jake. I wrote it down. They'll get it. It's just, wow, dude. Thanks, Gavin. Jesus, man. Gavin, yeah, Gavin hyped. That's insane, dude. Jesus, Gavin. Oh, dude. Awesome. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. If we don't hear from Ja again, sorry I didn't get him. Do you sell his kidneys or something? Christina Church, how's it going? Someone said BZRX. Sure. Wow, that's insane, man. Jesus, dude. Jesus, dude. Little known fact, James is run FT pool. I doubt it, dude. Yo, Gavin's a legend, dude. That's all I gotta say. He kills me sometimes in the streams. Like my head's trying to process now again. Like, what was I talking about? Where was that, man? Jesus, dude. Craig is right. Gavin did put 2 big balls in the tip jar. Whipping this voy por unos tacos aquí fuera de la colonia, mi hermano. Cheers from Querétaro. Oh, dude, nice. Cheers from Mexico City. I'll be here whipping this. Yeah. I know what that said, but I can't read your name, dude. Not in public. Jeez, let's keep rolling. Wow. Insane. Gavin killing me, dude. With the kind donations, dude. Thank you so much for that. Oh, bro. What were we at there? I think we were saying Bitcoin doesn't have anything bullish right now. And I'm not going to call anything bullish for Bitcoin. I'm actually going to be reserved. That's so crazy, man. Jesus. It's insane. The insanity. Where are we at, dude? Bitcoin went oversold. It's trying to recover. Not sure. Yeah, it's trying to recover. That's it. Still sitting sold. Still pointing down on the RSI. Still undecided on this hour, right? Look at that. It's pointing down again. Bitcoin not really doing us any favors, right? Let's go to Ethereum. 1,481. Jeez, let's go to Ethereum on the daily. It's looking like Bitcoin because, you know, I told you guys, Bitcoin leads the charge, right? Bitcoin plays the tunes. Some coins might be doing their own thing, but not all of them, right? Yeah. Dude, I'm not sure. Gavin is Elon Musk. I'm not sure. Someone sub? Awesome. Triple cryptocurrency.co. That's subscribe to the channel. Awesome. Thank you for being here, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I rarely get those to show up on the stream because now for some reason they take 3 hours to be registered. So it actually says he registered 3 hours ago, right? Look at that. Triple cryptocurrency 3 hours ago. Right? That's what it says. It just takes 3 hours for the subscriptions or the subs to show. It's weird, right? Let's keep moving, man. Let's keep moving. Again, what do we have here? We still have this hidden divergence. Remember how I told you hidden divergence, it's finicky. You keep on tracking it. Well, we're tracking it. Sitting neutral at 40.59. Still think it has. It's going to very likely follow Bitcoin, so it doesn't have anything else, by the way. So let's go to the 4 hour. Jesus, man. They were in Brontosaurus steaks. Actually, that's funny. It was at a friend's house. I haven't seen people in over a month, so we got together and did some steaks at his house. That was pretty good. They're actually thin, man. They're like this thin, but they were like good sized portions. And he brought them from Guatemala, so they're pretty good. Interesting though. But yes, great stuff. Actually, that's probably gonna go towards the desk. I'll eat wood. That sounds bad. I'll eat desk material. I'd rather have desks, a desk, not desks, plural, one desk, than ribeye. Dude. There's other things that I need more than a ribeye. Some people want some meat. That's fine. Let's keep going here, man. 4 hour. Nothing. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Just not doing anything. It's doing nothing, man. Sold at 35.87. So I want to move on to the 1 hour chart. See what we do. High, low, high, low, high, low, low, lower. Negative, more negative, low, lower. Low, high. Again, same thing, right? This is slightly lower. Low, high, low, high. Nothing that we can call here for Ethereum. It's just there. We had the potential level bottom. We broke up. I told you guys if we break back below this line, we no longer have it. However, ooh, I like this. I could be liking this. The 4 hour, right? I'll go back to the 4 hour. It might be doing a double bottom as well. Just like Bitcoin, potentially. Well, let's go here. 2.46. I was going to say this is probably happening here. But unlike Bitcoin, it doesn't have that gibberish here where it's a potential double top happening. Here we do have a well-defined top, and that's here. This will be the confirmation line for Ethereum on the move, right? On the move that we're looking for on this potential double bottom that's starting to make. Again, if Bitcoin crashes, it's probably not gonna get it right. So it needs to play ball for us to kind of make this double bottom. But again, it's not really gonna matter. If Bitcoin wants to tank, they'll break the market down with it. It's not gonna care if Ethereum has a double bottom or not. Again, a 33% rally maybe, more or less. Yeah, should be ballpark close enough. Oh, geez, I didn't want to do that. I want to do this. That should be close enough to where we need it to be. So again, could be looking for some bounce to that area. If we break that confirmation line, this will be a target, 2,210, right? A little bit higher than its previous high, but that's fine. That's the only thing I can look at for it here. Ethereum, again, here the move also could have gotten us to 2084. So this double bottom here that's not playing out, I'm going to delete it because now we know this one's not playing. We know this tiny one's not playing. The larger one could come into play. We'll see, right? We'll see. Again, getting that market indecision is not the best. You don't get clear reads in the market right now. Yesterday we didn't have this double bottom because we're up here now. Today it looks like we're forming this potential double bottom. Tomorrow we might have it, we might not have it. You know, it's just part of doing it live, right? Identifying it live and determining whether or not it's going to trigger. That's where the key is, right? And right now, it don't look like we don't know if we're going to form it. We haven't started to climb. We haven't hit the confirmation line. Once we hit the confirmation line, we could be in for that potential rally, right? If we don't reject that confirmation. And even sometimes they fail. Institutions puking on us. Please send help. Watching home. Thanks for being here. I haven't seen you in a while. All I wanted was the ranch you feel used. Ooh. Not cool. The big guys are buying no matter the big guys are buying no matter the price. Yes, I agree with you, man. The big guys are buying, don't care about the price. They don't care, man. By the way, this glass that's usually full of water today is full of coffee because I need it. It's been a heavy day. It's been a heavy day. Let's go to Binance. Is the list updated? I'm not sure where the list is at. I'll update the list real quick before actually. CVC. Once it's SPY versus SPY. And someone said Tesla. I'm not even sure. I haven't looked at Tesla today. Is it still dropping? Then BAT. And then BZRX. It had some bearish there. I know we talked about potentially moving down. And if you have requested a project and they haven't confirmed, you're going to hear me say, yeah, we'll do that, or call the project out back. Probably haven't seen it, so make sure you can repost it, just don't spam. Master Builder. Bear flag on the 15-minute Bitcoin. Jeez, I don't usually go to the 15-minute Bitcoin, man. I'll write it here. I'm not sure if I'm going to see it, but we'll see, man. I'm not sure, right? Ugo, thank you for being here. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to Binance. Where did Binance say it? $230. Jeez, how the mighty have fallen. Again, it pumped. It's finding support right now at the 50%. So we know we have good fibs, right? We know we have good fibs. Low to high. Look at that, respected that 618 beautifully. Try to hold support here at the 382, rejecting it yesterday, right? A couple days ago, maybe a couple hours ago. We'll see. Again, here, different fibs on the daily, right? Because my anchoring points are different. But again, good enough for now. Nothing happening. We're at flagging, downsloping consolidation. It's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look at that, beautiful. Here I have different fibs. Shorter term fibs. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, high, nothing bullish. Neutral at 44.21. Neutral, sorry, at 49.40. Where is it? 44.20. There we go. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So, Binance 1 hour chart. We had the bearish divergence, moving down to that, finding support, moving within a channel. Low, lower, negative, or negative momentum. Low, lower still. Nothing bullish. I think that's gonna be the story today. We're not gonna find anything bullish. Again, from yesterday until today, I just in that channel, that 236 at 265,000 more or less. To 382 at around 219,000. Sorry, 200. Why am I saying 1,000? Jesus, it's not worth that much. Huh. It's at $265 and $220. I just gave like Binance the run of its life when I said 1,000. Uno? Sure, man. We can look at Uno. So, let's roll. There's nothing here. Let's go to the draw 4, reverse, change color. That's what I thought too, the false flag. This is the first thing that came to my mind when he said Uno. The GBTC trading at large discounts in US hours. MSDR getting wrecked. Institutions dumping. Only stimulus checks can save us now. Oh geez, we're waiting for the institutional for the stimulus checks that are going to come up like in April or something like that. Well, yeah, dude, I can't go political talking trash. Although I have good arguments to that. It happens everywhere, right? Everywhere they have voluntary programs for this to disarm the people. They just don't want to have riots. They don't want people to be able to stand against tyranny. Let's go to Litecoin. Yeah. Songs. Fudge. I just accidentally hit something. This song's actually called Somewhere Else, Soka. So many people in the house, so many few likes. We have like a third of the likes for the amount of people that we have. But if you like what we do, hit like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. For else, if you're liking the show so far and you stayed more than a couple minutes, just hit the like. And the sub. You're probably going to like it. So, anyways. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Well, first of all, this is going to have some bearish divergence. I'm going to ignore this small things here because they're nothingness, right? They're just tiny separations that are not going to affect the way I look at this. I do believe this is a play. And low to high, right? Strong bearish divergence, actually downside breaking down. Don't have it against our side, just against the MACD, right? Low, high. Low, high. Negative. Could go with this one, I guess. I'm strong bullish right now. Low to high, and if I go to the highest point here, negative. More negative momentum. So we can say we're doing some hidden bullish divergence here. And that's what's giving us this action to the upside. But keep in mind that this action to the upside, it's making an upsloping consolidation. That's usually a bear flag, right? After it pulls down, upsloping consolidation is a bear flag that tends to break back down. So I'm just gonna go with that right now. Still gotta keep on building. This is a 1 hour chart. Let's go to the daily. Again, hidden bullish, bad rally, not really playing out. About the same low as we were before. I'll track onto there, and neutral at 46.06. Let's go here for the 4 hour. Anyways, what we're looking for here in Litecoin on the 4 hour, we had this bullish divergence, we pumped on that. That was a good move. But that was it. That was a move because this came down on us. And this is called bearish divergence hit. And that's putting some pressure on the price to go down. Jeez, I lost for words. There we go, man. There we go. High to low, right? Neutral. 41.12. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. Neutral at, 41.12. Not a lot. On the 1 hour. Still don't have that much going. So, that's going for Litecoin. Again, it's just the market's not really doing anything exciting right now, let's say. I would love it if it was more exciting. RSR, 4.2. Great. Now, this might have become support of sorts. Let's extend that. More or less. Resistance, right? Got above it. Now it's sort of becoming a support. Let's go to the daily and then move back. Again, still have this hidden bullish divergence. Waiting for it to play out. Now we also have it here against the RSI, which we didn't have it yesterday. Pretty cool, I guess. The only thing I'm seeing right now, hidden bullish, potential fraction to the upside. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. We have there. Let's negative again. Bullish divergence section to the upside, hitting the 20, rejecting, trying to go high, rejecting at the 382, come back down, hitting that 50 right now, bouncing. So, I mean, yeah, I'm not sure. I don't think we have anything bearish right now. Had a low. I believe we're going positive, less positive. I'll just confirm, but yep, look, high. Lower high, right? So positive, less positive. Had a low. We don't have anything bearish. It could just be because the markets, in general, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the rest are bearish. So it's putting some bearish pressure on this asset as well, indirectly. And that's why it could be dropping. But if you see it's not dropping as bad, it's trying to hold on some support here. At least at a fib node, maybe to try to retrace to the upside. That would be kind of healthy for this. I believe this project has potential. So 4 RSR, man. I'm not seeing a lot here on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour RSR, right? Low, lower, negative. Or negative, low, lower still. So not really finding anything here bullish or bearish. It's just, again, we're in a range. We're between that 282 and that 50% retrace. Just going sideways. Most YouTubers talk about it a lot. No, they dump and profit off. Reporting. Shredhead. I'm not sure what you guys are talking about. I miss so much of the chat. There's a comment. I think it's interesting. I'm not sure what you're talking about though. Yeah, volume is interesting. These were our SAR. Let's go check out DVT. Ooh, DVT at 0.9. It's climbing. I like it. 19 sats, boys. 19 sats. That's where the action's at. It has had good recovery. So I know your eyes and retinas burn. Let's look at this in the black chart because a lot of people are going to start saying, oh, my eyes, I'm getting eye cancer from the white chart. The MACD and the RSI. Again, not my problem that this website refuses to just open up on dark mode. Let's keep rolling here. Columns. Make them green. The green columns of mightiness. And let's see what we're doing, right? Low, lower, negative, or negative. Low, low. Low, lower, low, high. Yeah, we had some bullish divergence. That's fine. In here, from here to here. To the upside, we're rallying. That was strong bullish. Great. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing off with that. Now, high, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher still. Nothing bearish. It's just moving sideways for a little bit. It's fine. It's turning really good. So the last time I bought here, the last addition I made on DVT, it was yesterday again. I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago. Can't remember. But I ended up buying around 13. So right now I'm also doing good, right? I'm like almost doubling, at least 50% up on whatever I bought here. So good project. It's good for scalping sometimes. It's a very nice place. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Some bullish divergence, right? Low, lower, negative, less negative. Again, with that, some potential fraction to the upside, right? We're getting across the MACD over the signal line. And I know you're not able to see them, so I'll go here. Make this one yellow. Make it larger. Well, we'll make it blue. And then we'll make this one red. Make it orange, so you easily visible. Jesus. Here we go. So we got this cross. I don't think I'm gonna be able to put the 20 moving average here. I'll take the 20 periods, take the closing, 0 offset. Let's make this blue, yellow, or orange so it's visible, and make it thicker, I guess. So we got the cross. Jeez, I think we advanced in the cross. Yeah, this pump helped us get that cross and broke us above the 200. And this kind of gave us that bounce. So now we could be in for a good cross here. Maybe still action to the upside. The fact that we're above that 200 average on DVT. Interesting. So good play there with the MACD strategy. Would have been a good in. Right? And again, it did drop below my entry level, but that's fine. Stymie. What the hell? Stymie said, had all colonoscopy done, I still have less gas in Ethereum. Jesus. The soundtrack is fire. Thanks, man. Some shorts. What would Tom Crown say? What would Tom Crown say about what, man? Let me know. Even a buy order at 10? Ooh, sucks. Anyways, not looking too bad. Let's go to the daily. Higher, positive, positive. Had a low again. We had some bearish divergence. I told you guys, I thought we were done with that yesterday. A couple days ago. And look at that. We pumped yesterday like crazy. We might be done with that move. Downside, right? We're looking for some upside happening here. Again, it has bearish news. It's bullish news. So it could be pumping on the bullish news, right? And probably still likely do good, man. Bitcoin bullish now? I'm not sure. Go back to Bitcoin. Again, DVT, not doing too bad. 47,600. Yeah, not really yet, right? Need to climb up a lot. I think Bitcoin's still undecided. I really wish we had some clarity, some bullishness, something that would tell us, yo, we're pumping. But I think you're seeing indecision here. Again, someone said potential level bottom. I agree. Potential bottom. We marked it here on this one. Potential level bottom. We'll see if it plays. Let's go to Ada. Ada up next. Yo, Adrian! Can't do Stallone today. Yo, Adrian. Yo, Ada. What we're gonna do today, man? We're gonna bounce. What are we doing here? We had some hidden, that's for sure. Which again, it's helping out with some of that upwards motion. Maybe sideways consolidation. We talked about it, right? Again, I have this here. I'm just missing the counter down here, and that's fine. Salmon Shorts. I have a question. Why you name Salmon Shorts? Let me know. I mean, I'm intrigued. It's a weird name for a. Yeah, I said Salmon Shorts. I did silent L. But I'm interested to know why your name Salmon Short. Like the fish? Yeah, I know. I know it's like the fish, but why Salmon Shorts? I don't get it. It's interesting though. But where are we? Bought at 71.64. Color of his shorts? Maybe. Anyways, there's divergence, hidden bullish, pumping on that, high low, failed to get higher in the Bruce high still. Let's see. Maybe you're in the shorts on salmon color candles. I'm not sure. I'm intrigued, dude. Why? The name is like interesting, so I'm like genuinely intrigued to why that name. Anyways, yeah, potential action that's low high. I think it wasn't low high. Bought at 71.59. Overbought again. Let's go to the 4 hour. Had the bearish divergence. Fraction of downside, moving down on that. I'm kind of lost, I think, the bullish. I mean, we could go all the way down here, all the way down there. Say, look, we have some hidden bullish. Yeah, I just feel like I'm hunting for data. I'll feel more confident going from here to here. Again, it probably just works. Probably do have this hidden bullish divergence traction to the upside. That's what we're getting. Jake the appears 100% high. High, low, also positive, high, low. Control 58.82. Nothing. I mean, we have some hidden bullish. That could be. Well, we balanced at that 786, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Guys, by the way, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. There's some Discord. Link is in the description. It's not in the description, sorry. Oh, it is in the description, but I don't think that link is active anymore. Because, dude, I forgot to do this again today. I gotta put the new... Yeah, we're changing some stuff because apparently we're getting bot attacks. I gotta come in here and pin the new Discord link that changes every day. Great. Don't let me do this here now. I'm gonna try to do this in a second. Wait. Pin it. It's pinned. Anyways, what are we looking at here on the 1 hour? We're looking at something here, bearishness potential for. Got the pin again. Yeah, I know, Jake. It's a new part of the routine, right? You gotta get used to it. I made so many changes lately that it's interesting. I'm track of all of them. It's interesting. The Joel Bear, they've been here, man. I'm waiting for your message to play. I haven't even looked at it. I just saw like some yellow pop up here.
Yo, bro,
Yo.
How would you feel about buy orders between 42K and 38K? AKA the honey hole. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor.
Yo, dude. The Joel Bear, thank you very much for that, man. Legendary, man. Thank you very much. One up. There we go. There it is. Yo, how do I feel about that?
If you chart a rate from the low of Jan 21 to the low of February 23rd, is that acting as a support?
Yo, the big Jedi. Are you talking about ADA or what project? I'm on ADA right now. So, thank you very much for your kind donation, dude. There it is.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. There it is, bro. Tell me which chart. Bitcoin. All right. So yeah, sure, man. Let me finish the ADA. I'll go back to Bitcoin. Talk about that. We have 2 questions regarding that area. So yeah, I'll address both. But on the Bitcoin chart, right? Had some bearishness. Move down slightly. That's fine. Here we came up higher. Look at this. Look at this madness. We come from high to low. A strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside again. Moving down. Low, high. Low, high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish right now. Hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. And we're getting that small climb. However, we have this hidden divergence against my the other side. So that's, helping us pump. Just think about the fact that we're going up sloping after an impulse down. So could be that we're making a bear flag. At least for now, we're below the 20 still. So we're rejecting higher prices. We'll see, right? Someone said Ethereum popping off. That's awesome. Ethereum at 1,519. Bitcoin. Let's go to $47,634 Bitcoin. So something about a line first, and then something about the honey pot of it. So let's find those areas first. Let's zoom in. I'll go to this chart that has a lot laid out. Yeah, this one actually. So, buy orders at 42 to 30. So let's put that range into view. So more or less from here to. That's not the tool just to begin with. So let's go here, get that rectangle. 42 to 38. I have it here. 42 to 30. I don't have a lot of support at 42. Actually, from 43,000, it just dropped to 40,000. That's a big gap here. If we drop below this level, we could look at a quick drop. But yeah, you could get an order fill. And then from 40K, it just goes to 37K. So, yeah, I mean, it could work, right? Probably put around the 40s. More likely to get it filled on a touch to that area. But we'll see. We'll see. All right. Gavin, Jesus.
Donating $1,000 when BTC hits 48.5K.
All right, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you very much.
There it is. Everyone, go buy Bitcoin. You heard Gavin. Make it pump. Can we do this? Does this count? Oh, look, we're making it go up. We're making it go up, Gavin. Look. It's a green bar going up there, man.
If you cross a gorilla and a porcupine, where does he sit on the bus? Anywhere he wants to.
What the hell, man?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. Man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. There you go, Craig. There you go, dude. And Gavin, dude.
Hail to the king, baby.
Hail to the king, man. You just keep on giving awesome donations, dude. And everyone that's donating, thank you very much for them. I really appreciate them. Just Gavin's killing me tonight. Right, so that's one of the questions, like the golden zone. Yeah, I think you can get filled around 40K. More likely to actually also find psychological support there for a bounce, right? If you want to put some orders there, just in case you get that drop. Yeah, I do believe that, yeah, you could be looking at something good between 42 and 38. Yeah, I would probably say 40, maybe. Around the 40 could act as support. Because like I told you, there's not a lot of areas here where you could actually hold support at. So it's a quick drop, right? It should be a quick drop. That being said, the other question was, if you trace a line from north to south, east to west.
Lo, you think I care about Bitcoin moving to support you? No. $100 to Jake and $100 to Soka from this one, please, less than 3.
What? Dude, Jesus.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you
Gavin
very
with the awesome donation. Yo, thank you very much, dude. I was just messing around, dude. I was saying, look, I'm making it go up just because I was being like, being a dick back. But dude, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Gavin, again.
Audience, say it with me.
Legend, man. You're a legend, dude.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. There it is. One up.
Hail to the king.
Hail to the king, dude. Hail to the king, man. Much appreciated, bro. Jesus. Yo, so yeah, I'll write it here again. Times 2. To hear another 100 for them. Yo, that's awesome, dude. I keep on like just putting here that what I get to give away because Gavin gives me tips with instructions, and that's pretty cool because I do share the love with the mods, the main mods that are Soak and Jake that do most of the stuff on the Discord and here. So if you want to become a main mod, let Jake know, and he'll tell me, and then we'll discuss internally, and we'll see. But it's awesome, dude. Thank you guys for that. Really appreciate it, Gavin. Thanks so much. So the other one was, if you draw a line from east to west in the train, it's an electric train that just left the station. Which way did the smoke go? Something like that. Jesus.
Why does the ocean roar? You would too, if you had crabs on your bottom.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Greg.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, dude. There it is. I think that's actually good, man. Jeez, we're always watching. Yeah. Anyways, so let me do this one. Low of January the 21st. Where's January the 21st? Here. So first line here, January 21st. And then you set to February 23rd. That'll be here. would that be acting as support? Well, now it's acting as resistance, but yeah, it could have been acting as support. 1, 2, 3 hits, almost 4 hits, which is more or less the line that I have here, right? That goes from the 27th till here. But the way I had it, I was getting more hit points by using the wicks than the body, right? You were here, we run with the body. When I use the wicks, look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hits before I actually broke it. Here on this one, we're probably not going to be getting as many hits. 1, 2, 3. These ones are not quite hitting there. They're a little bit off. They're a little bit signed off, but you can call them a hit. 7, 8. So 9. Yeah, more or less the same. I do believe that this one here, and by using that bottom and using this here, seems to fit a little bit better. Because we already know that this was a resistance that we needed to get above, right? We rejected it once, we rejected it twice. If we go here, right, and we had this one before, we actually had this new bottom of the 23rd. We actually had this with the data that we had prior to that bottom that we're now including into the analysis, right? Because now this data point, we just made it 2 days ago. This line, we've had it for a while. So now we're also seeing that we're breaking below that area. And so, yeah, I see the point that you're making here, Beach Jedi. But I would say, if you consider that we had this charted for a while now, and we said we don't want to break below this line, even though we're starting to move down, and I told you we wanted to close above that line, it was because it's important. Now, if we include the new data point, we'll still be support, but now we just lost it again, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Anyways, guys, thank you all for being here. Thank you very much for the kind support. If you like what we do, hit like them on the sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. So what else, dude? Dude. Making sure I'm not missing anything in the chat. Jesus, dude.
Got mommy's credit card back. Wait, Matilda's? Ain't that whose card I'm using anymore, man.
Jesus, dude. Fuck, Gavin.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, dude. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There it is, dude. Gavin. Gavin with the killer.
Hail to the king, baby.
Fatality.
It just keeps on giving fatalities, dude. One after the other one. Yeah, sure, man. Gavin, I'll do another 100 and 100, man. There it is, dude. Awesome, dude. You have given so kind to this channel, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for the kind donations. Everyone that's given donations, thank you very much. It's just Gavin, I think he has given in excess of, yeah, it's insane. Oh, dude, that's so crazy. Dude. Whipping this. Yeah. 49. Yeah, maybe, dude. What kind of tacos did you have? That's a good question. Soka's asking. Actually makes me curious. Jeez, dude. Yeah, I think they're gonna be happy. I think Jake's gonna. Jake, don't go leverage. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, Gavin. I just saw your message come up, and I was gonna say the same thing. Jake, just don't leverage that 100 times. 5 times at most. Yeah, I would agree. Jake, don't go spending it all on one corner, on one long. Jesus. Oh man, Gavin's getting insane. Oh, so cool. Thanks, Gavin. I appreciate that, man. That's awesome, dude. Gavin, thank you so much for that. Like, Gavin's never gonna get topped on that chart forever, man. I think he's gonna be up there for life now. Yeah, guys, it really doesn't matter whether or not you guys donate or not. It's like just the fact that you guys are here and giving support, right? It's I've said that plenty of times, right? It doesn't matter, man. Like the donations are just a little extra. It just makes a little extra. It makes it like, you know, feel appreciated. But, you know, the fact that you guys are here with your time and with the likes and, you know, commenting and talking, that's worth also a lot, right? Because then, you know, YouTube also recommends the comments and then recommends the content. So that's why I keep on saying, guys, that if you like the content, you should like it. Then it will recommend it to other people that have similar tastes like you do, right? So let me go through some comments now, because I think something happened here. Craig donates dad jokes. Yeah. Gavin, number one sponsor. Yeah, dude, he's the number one. Yeah. He's given plenty. I told you guys, all I care is about your support, right? Being here. Mohammed, yes, I know Tesla Inspire there, man. I'm gonna get to them. You got been getting sidetracked with some requests also, so I will get through them. The Stereo Crypto, Jeff says, the Stereo Crypto brought to you in part by Gavin Vashdev. Yeah, maybe Gavin Vashdev is brought in part. Yeah, the Stereo Crypto is brought in part by Gavin. We'll see, man. That's crazy, dude. 100 likes. Yeah, we made it. Awesome. John makes bad decisions behind them like these. Yeah. Guys, don't worry. Viral Video, don't worry about donating, man. That's not what this channel's about. This channel's about having fun, talking crypto, learning, entertaining, and education, right? That's what this channel's about. Entertainment and education. Yeah, Bob Mao, what's up, dude?
What's up?
Thank you for being here. Madness is what's up. Madness. Jesus. Today it's a cool day, I guess. This is me just messing around with this chart. That's fine. So anyways, dude, I hope I explained why I believe this was a better support line to be broken than the new one. Anyways, we already did ADA. Let's go to Engine. Engine. Doesn't matter. Are you on the Discord, man? If you're in the Discord, let me know who you are. On the Discord. Let me know who you are on the Discord, right? Through Discord. Can we get to 150 likes?
Challenge accepted.
There it is. Challenge accepted. Let's see if we can get to 150 likes. Engine. Oh no, this is not the engine we'll look at. This is the engine we'll look at. Christian Walsh just looked like double auto might be playing out. We'll see in a second, man. I don't think it's playing out yet. Or was Bitcoin at? It's too early to tell. We need to break confirmation line. Engine. Hello. 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 Low high. Negative more, negative low. Anyways, here we go. So I'm hitting bullish. We're starting to pump on that. That's fine. We had the bearish divergence move down, find support at the previous 100%. Now trying to move up. Weakened that 1618 again. Which again, it's fine. Bought at 60.79. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Mr. Martin, that's also Rising Wedge in the 1 minute. Oh, dude, really? Rising Wedges tend to break the downside. Sidekick. Dude, I'm not sure. It does. That's. I'm trying to make a funny voice. I'm not sure. Likes are looking bullish. Oh, let's hope so, man. Let's hope so. 181 people watching. Thank you for being here, man. Right, so I was trying to find something here on Engine. Hello. Low, lower, negative, more negative. That's fine. Nothing bullish. And here I was trying to look at this sideways, going up, but that's nothing bearish here. We're just pulling back a little bit. When I go to the 1 hour, I'm not seeing anything here. So the one I know this might be from here. All right, so this was a support line. So it broke down. Fine. Let's get rid of this because I don't need it anymore. Low, lower, negative. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Move higher. Right. So, first things first, right? And then second things second. Hopefully they order things. Let's keep moving. High, higher, high. Positive, less positive. Bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. Short term here. On the RSI, just in this last bit from here to here. Bearish divergence also. Strong action downside from down. Low, high, negative, more negative. We don't have it against the RSI, but we're starting to create some hidden bullish divergence against the MACD. And with that, we're getting some of that potential action to the upside. That's what's helping us pump to reach that 1618 again here on Engine. That's the last thing we have. Some hidden bullish. The potential fraction to the upside adds the recovery that we're getting. Now, some people are just saying Ethereum pumping. Let's go check Ethereum. Let's go check out Bitcoin first. 47,600. Look, the double bottom playing out. It's not there yet, right? Let me just tell you why. For the double bottom to be confirmed, you actually need to break confirmation line. And for that, we'll be looking at this confirmation line here. I'm going to make it blue. This is our upside confirmation. Again, here, bottom. Here we had double top. That double top's confirmation line is this one here that I left in yellow. Let's break that. If right now we're below the yellow, so we're looking to move down. We could be trying to find some support where we're at right now, which is at the old 1618 here and at support at 47,338. And that is fine, right? There's an area that margin of operation. First things first, second things second. I know, right, Brent? It's good. That's how we should order things. Anyways, we're having this line of confirmation to the upside that we're still very far away from, right? This does not make the bottom yet, right? It's still dropped. Again, I'm not being bearish. I'm just being a realist that we're not there yet. For you to be able to maybe even be considering breaking this line, you would need to be at least above that 20 moving average and say, look, we're above the 20. We're trying to go bullish. We're below 20 still. Again, I'm not saying it's not going to play out yet. I'm not saying it's going to play out yet. I'm saying we're far from determining whether or not it's going to play out right now with current motion. Now, so with Ethereum's moving, let's go check out the Ethereum. I'm talking like Marvin Marshall now. Again, double bottom, right? Potential. Yes, it's moving up a little bit more than Bitcoin. That's fine. Getting above the 1,514. That's fine. Still below 20. Still has a confirmation line to break. And that confirmation line, it's actually at a resistance at 1,674. Right? I mean, I don't want to be overly bullish and like really be overhyped about something that we don't know yet if it's going to trigger, right? So we got to be a realist. We got to be pragmatic in our approach to the analysis and be, look, okay, cool. Yeah, it's turning up a little bit. Let's just don't go head over heels for it and, overhype it. Could it go up and break that area? Yeah, man, it can. It's within the possibilities. That's why I drew it. That's why it's there. Could it be that we don't care when we drop? Yeah, if Bitcoin drops, it'll very likely drag the market down with it. So, again, if Bitcoin stagnates and doesn't drop or pump because it's still finding indecision, it could give alts some room to move. And that room to move could imply that some of the alts might start pumping, right? And trying to get away from Bitcoin's bearishness, from Bitcoin's move to the downside. So again, let's not go over crazy about Bitcoin's moving up a little bit. This is not it's just going up 2%. It's not an insane pump. Crypto pumps. Let's look at a 10 over 5, even probably over 7% pump. Maybe if we hit 10, yeah, we're pumping, dude. And then below that, we know crypto is perfectly capable of making and dropping. Look at this here. 1 4-hour candle, we dropped 8%. The next hour candle, we gained 8%. It's pumping 8%. Oh, it's dropping 8%. Now it's pumping 8% again. You just gotta be a realist. You don't overhype yourself about that. Like, don't get yourself in the wrong mentality. I'll say the best mentality to be when you're trading is be relaxed. Right? Don't look for bullish signs because you want the project to be bullish. Just be neutral. The more neutral you are, the more upside and downside you're gonna be able to see, and the better you prepare you're gonna be to take a decision when you need to make one. Right? If you're over bullish, you're probably gonna just be looking for bullish indicators. You're probably gonna undermine anything that is bearish by playing it off and say, "No, it's bullish, it's bullish, it's bullish." The bearishness isn't gonna play out. And when that bear strikes, you're probably gonna get wrecked. So again, just try to be calm and try to be neutral in your analysis approach. And you're probably gonna be better off when you're starting your setups and your trading. You're probably gonna find out more, like, you're going to identify better what could be happening, right? So right now we know that we're in a period of indecision. Yes, it's going up. It's not going up insanely high. For all we know, this could be a bear trap, a bull trap, right? We start to hook into a J, could be the hook, and then drop again. Again, just taking it easy with crypto, right? Let's go to swap. $3.81. High, higher, high to low, high to low. Bearish divergence. First things I'm noticing here on swap, right? Comp, sure, man. How to low as well. That's good. Or bought at 77.26. That's awesome. Brent says, no, we must be selling emotional and go crazy at 3% gains and contemplate or mortality at minus 2%. Yes. You shall follow Brent's advice. Overbought at 77.32. Again, there's some bearish divergence. Tension fraction down, so it might be looking to go down a little bit in trust swap. It's getting insanely high, insanely fast. It could still be bullish and ignore it. We know a lot of projects have been caring less about the divergences and have really just gone full on bull run, right? So I forgot. I know why this is happening. I know why this is happening. I was telling I was doing something so that I was showing Gavin some things, and I forgot to extend my lines again. There we go. It was, we're hitting that 2618, right, and the valid retrace. That's if we're gonna see if this is a high, and then we're retracing, we'll already be over the 100% high. So I don't want to look at it this way, but what we could do here in the short term is go from here, right? From here, which I don't like, because we're just using 2 candles for this 1, 2. Or to try to project the upside. So it's a little bit silly to just fail on 2 candles. So I'm liking this one a little bit better, right? And we know we're trying to get above that 2618. We're rejecting it. It's a valid area. Have bearish divergence. It looks like we want to reject it right now. That is fine. Let's go here. Yes. Gavin fell back for Seamus, and he's in the some donations that Seamus could come out to play. Said Seamus come out to play. And Seamus was all happy and, you know, blowing luck charms all over the place. He actually left a mess on the floor here. I see the horseshoe and balloons and the rainbows. And what other shapes are there in Lucky Charms? PM, thoughts on XRP? Jeez, man, I haven't looked at XRP in a couple days. I've actually stopped reading XRP news. Not because I don't like it. I like the project. I like what they're doing. It's just there's so much trash and noise floating out there that I just like. I don't need that right. I stopped looking at XRP news, and you know, whatever. So we'll check out XRP. My thoughts on it are reserved until whatever you know, the SEC comes out with a verdict. That's all I can tell you. We'll go crazy once the lawsuit is over. Yeah, but look at what's happening, right? MoneyGram, it's putting their partnership on halt. And MoneyGram was one of the biggest corridors for XRP on Ripple, right? So MoneyGram is putting the partnership on hold. Someone else or some other banking institutions also putting their partnership with Ripple on hold. So they're gonna start taking hits. Right? So it's probably not going as bullish as whatever outlets are seeming it to be, right? I mean, you gotta find, particularly in crypto, there's a lot of news that are just hyping out stuff. You gotta find a balanced news source, a non-biased news source where they can actually look at and say, okay, this seems like I can make an informed opinion and they're not trying to sell me on something, right? If you find that, then yeah, go read that article. But I would tell you, if you're just reading articles that are all happy and the XRP is gonna go to the moon again and XRP is gonna be the next project, and the next best thing that's going to happen to the world, go find, for every one article that you find like that, go find an article that is sad about XRP and saying how bad is it, etc., and then just make an informed opinion between the two. Because if you just want to hear what you want to hear, right? A lot of people, that's I guess that's why a lot of other channels have a massive audience, right? Because they're telling the people what they want to hear. Like, you know, sometimes it happens in politics that politicians make promises based on what the people want to hear, right? Even though they know that their promises they might not be able to perform. So I think that's what's happening with some of these channels. They're telling people, oh, dude, this is going to go like, you know, here. This is going to go to the moon. The lawsuit's good. You know, them getting sued is the best thing that could ever happen to anyone. Getting sued is the best thing that can happen to anyone. Yeah, things like that. So, you know, there's people that like to hear that, don't want to hear that. This is not this channel. I'm just not going to do that. I'm going to be as balanced and neutral as I can. If people like it, that's fine. If they want balanced, unbiased opinions, I think that's the best thing anyone can ask for, right? So, you know, someone can tell you the upside and the downside. If you're just looking for the upside, there's plenty of other places that are going to tell you that. You just want to turn a deaf ear to the potential shortcomings, and etc. That's fine. There's people that want to operate that way. They want to live in happy la la land. There's other people that want to be realists. I mean, you know, I cannot give an opinion because I haven't looked at it though. I think I just diverged from the topic, and it's not particularly because of your question. It's just particularly because a lot of people come in here like overhyped, and yeah. Thank you, Jeffrey. I appreciate that. Let's roll. Anyways. There's some bearishness here as well. Right, potential action downside. That's fine. We had it in the daily, I think. Right now we're having it in the 4 hour, and it's more or less the same period that we're anchoring to. So we have two periods that are similar, right? Same high, and then the bearish divergence is there. Potential for action downside. It's flagging right now below the 2618. Bought at 63.65. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, Brent, some people do that. Some people do that, man. Just to get the views and just to get the likes and just to get the people rolling in. And that's fine. It's, yeah, whatever. I'm not going to do that. Low, high. We're coming up slightly higher here, right? I mean, I'm not going to pinpoint it. We're going from here. It's just a short movement to the upside. And then here we're coming high to low. Right, so again, there's some bearish divergence. Strong for potential action downside. That's what we're carving off here. So we had strong bearish on the daily, on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. Moving down. Now it looks like we're creating some hidden bullish here. Or we could be creating hidden bullish. Actually, don't have to zoom in. No, negative, less negative. No hidden bullish yet. Could reject again that 2618. Maybe drop a little bit. Maybe test that 20 as support at 3.67. And then see if we're going to bounce from. Yes, man, says Bitcoin's creating a bear flag on the 15-minute. All right, man. I'll go check it out in a second. That's the first swap. I know there's projects I still need to get through. Don't worry, guys. I haven't forgotten about you. Just gonna go check out that real quick, right? Someone said it earlier. I said I was gonna check in a recap. I did put it here. I did come to Bitcoin. I forgot to look at it. And yeah, look. I'm gonna gamble this one. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna say that we're looking at something like this on the 15-minute chart. I'm going to send this to the 15-minute actually, and I'm going to catch it there and see. I know we're not going to be pinpoint accurate, but I think this is the flag that you're talking about, the 15-minute chart, and it's upsloping consolidation. We know that upsloping consolidation could bring Potential movements to downside, right? So, going on. I'll also go catch it there. Ching. Yep, close enough. A little bit to spread. Right? This one's nice. This one I like. This one, that spike, we could try to ignore it as a fake breakout to the upside. We could try to look at this as a rising wedge. That again, yeah, you could be right. All right, with that rising wedge, whoever was saying this, Bitcoin's printing a Jeffrey. No, that's not you. Who was it that was saying that Bitcoin's getting it? John says, Bitboy said my Ethereum will be at 100,000 instead. My bag's underwater. Did he give you a time scale as to when you should be getting that?
My name is Jeff.
There you go, Jade Smith. My name is Jeff. Yeah, we can do that viral video. Hey, you. We look at it sometimes. When I don't remember. Tom Martinez, Metro is unwatchable. Interesting. I actually like what he does. I don't think it's bad. I'm not sure why you say it's unwatchable, but I actually think he does some good stuff. Trying to catch up with some comments. There's so much stuff that I've lost in the chat, so I'm trying to get through some stuff real quick. He's rude. I'm not sure. Oh, video. Sure. Yeah, I already said that. Yes to gold. I missed some comment. I wanted to look at a comment and I lost it. Sorry. But he has good information. I mean, I get it. I get what you're saying. He does give good information. I mean, BitBoy's cool. He's just hyper. Interesting. I'm not sure. I never watched BitBoy, to be honest. I think I only seen him like for like a very short amount of time, and just someone wanted me to look at that. Something there, right? No, that's cool, CryptoCat Lover. I appreciate that. Oh, not that. That.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Right on. So, yeah. I see what you're talking about here with the potential rising wedge. We could consider this a fake breakout, right, of that wedge. Because if we were to consider it for the analysis, we would make it a broadening wedge. Which, again, it's bearish, right? Also, because every time it takes you more strength to go higher, you get exhausted of that and you break down. So, but if you want to ignore that as noise, yeah, we could say that it is definitely making a sort of rising wedge. Bear flag. Rising, anything that's rising, remember, it tends to break the downside, right? Except ascending triangles. Ascending triangles tend to break the upside, and they sometimes tend to turn into rising channels or rising wedges. So, keep that into mind. Jordan Carne, it's a nice streamer earlier. Oh, cool, man. I never seen him, Craig. Interesting. Thanks, Rand. I appreciate that. Let's keep rolling, man. Get some projects. CVC, man. CVC. I'm assuming it's gonna be this one because they, yeah. CVC. We'll go with this one. All right, on. So CVC at 34.24 cents. Yes, it charted. So let's go to daily. I think Mitch does some good stuff. He does some good harmonics. I think his harmonics are solid. I don't watch Mitch that often. I used to watch him a while back, like a long time ago. When he was small, he was starting at like episodes 300 and so, or prior to 1,000 episodes. And he does some solid harmonics, man. Just a little high, pulling back, hitting that 382, trying to find support. That's fine. I'm trying to find something here. Higher high, right? So we're going with a higher high, and you can tell here that we're coming slightly lower and slightly lower also. So we do have some bearish divergence here. Strong bearish divergence for action to downside. There we go. Now we do have some bullishness also happening here. He's a Boston guy. He does see like me. Ooh, he should come watch Seamus. I should go watch him too and say I have a Seamus. You know, isn't there a big Irish population in Boston? Might like Seamus. Who knows? Why do I not like Elliott Wave? Never got into work for me precisely, and Elliott Wave has some rules that you need to have in order for it to work out. So, okay, you get your first wave, right? In your case, you're starting your Elliott wave. Then you get your second wave, right? And then you get your third wave. And the third wave has a very particular point that if the third wave has to be longer than the first wave, it cannot be shorter, right? But by the time you're here and you determine whether or not this is anchored and moved down, right? And this is a movement down that you're getting, you're already on the fourth wave. So you can only play a little bit to the upside. You already missed this chance if you didn't start up here. If you start up here on the Elliott wave and you move up and then move down and then you get this one here, and it's not there, and it's shorter, right? You can still be good on your entry. It's just you didn't trigger Elliott wave properly. And this one is to be larger, right? And this one you get your fourth wave, and the fourth one also has some kinks to it. And then you should be getting your fifth one, right? So again, Elliott wave, it has too many things that need to click in place. And by the time you determine whether or not you have them, it could be late. And if you do them wrong, you can get wrecked easily. That's the biggest reason why I don't like using Elliott wave. I do believe that the simpler you keep it, Martin needs to do the TA in a snuggie. Probably fall asleep if I do that. You wanted me to do the stream in a bathrobe also. Or no, not a bathrobe, a smoking robe or whatever. This is crazy, dude. For me, I'll tell you what. The easier you keep it, right? Look, I'll show you here. Let's fucking find an image. There's an image there that I can show it easily. I had something for Elliott wave. Let me see if I can do this one here. This one might work. And there's another one. It's this one. This is the one I want to show. There's two that I'm going to show right now. This one here is the Elliott wave sheet, we can call it, right? Of sorts. Which again, has some rules to it. One of the rules here, for example, this one is one I was telling you about. Wave 3 is never the shortest wave. So by the time you're in wave 3, right, this one is never the shortest wave. You already missed part of the action for that wave. Wave 2 cannot dip lower than wave 1, right? And then you have some other ones around wave 4. Wave 4 never moves beyond the end of wave 1, right? So it never moves beyond the end of wave 1. So it has to be above wave 1. So again, if you already got in on wave 3 and this triggers, then this one moves lower, you no longer have Elliott wave. So you're already on wave 4, right? So, you know, this is what I'm talking about. Like, Elliott wave does have some rules. This is just a cheat sheet for the rules. It's hieroglyphics, I know. It might be too short or too small to show here. I'm not sure if I can make this larger. It might be stuck at this size. Yeah, it's stuck at this size. I cannot make it larger, man. Sorry about that. It's tiny to read, man. I know. I'll try to put this on the Discord. I'll put it right now for you guys to look at later on. But it does have some rules and some like kinks, I would say, that you need to like work around. I'll put in resources for you guys to find, right? So it's gonna go in resources. There it is. Posted this one. And again, like I said, there's like by the time you're in wave 4, the only play you get, right? Because you're determining whether you have elite wave. You have to be here, right? So by the time you're just playing the 5th wave, you just missed all of the action that you could have gotten with other technicals, right? So this is how elite wave should look. Boom, 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 right? All the rules are kept. If you're not dropping lower on the first one, that's fine. There's your third one is not the shortest one, that's fine. And you're not dropping below this one, that's fine. But you know, if you're tracking this, by the time you break elite wave, you're looking for an out, right? You're looking for an out. If this is happening, your elite wave's not triggering properly, even though you might move up, it's no longer elite wave. So you're already looking for some like an out here because it's not playing. If this is happening, it's not playing because it's the shortest wave. It's shorter than the first one, right? So it's just, to me, it has too many things that have to click in place. And by the time you get them to click, you just miss the action, right? Then also this one, right? This is also another one for rules for elite wave. And wave C is always an impulse. Like wave A is never a triangle, right? So there's just too many things for elite wave to play out. It's if you don't do it right, you can get wrecked really easily. And I'm gonna put both of this here on the Discord for you guys to look at. I think this is the easiest way I can summarize elite wave with that cheat sheet. And again, for me, it's not something that I want to use, right? I do believe that the simplest you keep it, and the less you try to convince yourself you're doing something, the more effective your analysis is going to be. Right? You got to keep it simple. Keep it simple, keep it clean, and you're probably going to be better off, right? Look, fibs are not hard to do. They tend to play out almost all of the time. Divergence is not hard to do. It almost always plays out most of the time as well. So there's other things that you can use that are this. Like you can do MACD strategy. I think MACD strategy plays out around 60 to 70% of the time. Then if you just go with MACD strategy trading and ignore everything else, you're probably better off. You can play off bouncing at supports and resistances. Support and resistance lines, like the ones that I sometimes draw, right? Like a line here, right? That could be a resistance. Again, I'm not saying that's a resistance, but it's just putting an example of the ones I draw sometimes. Or you can also trade bouncing off moving averages. And that is not very that is not very hard to do, right? Those are easy trading setups that anyone can do. You don't need to have a lot of knowledge, and they're not really dependent on a lot of data coming through, right? So again, it's you gotta keep it simple when you analyze, right? That's something I would say. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple, keep it clean, right? The simpler you keep it, the better you're probably gonna be trading. Right? Otherwise you might, like I tell this to people all the time. If you want to find an indicator, if you're in a bear market and you want an indicator that is bullish, you're very likely going to find one. You're just convincing yourself and telling yourself the complete opposite of what the market is doing. You're just trying to validate your point, and that's not what trading is about. Trading is about getting the data that is there, right? You don't force data onto a chart. The chart tells you what's happening. You look at the chart and you're like, okay, has some hidden bullish. We're right in this example, precisely this example in CVC. There's some hidden bullish. We're at a support. There's a chance we might try to go sideways, or at least try to push to the upside at a support. Well, you know, there is an area that we could hold that support, right? We're talking about a support zone at 382. We know it's the beginning of the retrace zone. We know that if it doesn't play, we could trigger a drop to the 618 or the 50%, right? Anywhere on this area, and look for a reversal. But we do have hidden divergence. If we come here, we have hidden bullish, and here we still have hidden bullish. So even if it doesn't play here, it could trigger at a later spot, and it could give a sort of reversal or maybe sideways motion to happen, right? Which we already have it to here, by the way. Right, and look, we got the sideways motion. Right now we're starting to drop a little bit lower. We still have that sideways motion. Again, just keep it simple when you chart. Don't overcomplicate it. Neutral at 50.38. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Link for Discord, it's pinned on the top. on the chat. Thanks for asking, man. Hello from Satuma. Awesome. I never into Satuma. Mustafa, thanks for being here, man.
What's up?
GA, good to see you too, man. Oh, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Lower, negative, more negative, oh, lower. Awesome. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Trying to find something here just real quick, guys. Give me a second. There we go. On the 1 hour, what do we have here? Low, high, high, low. Right. Again, look, from here to here, we're going higher on the 1 hour chart, near a resistance, right? Again, charts just tell you the data you need to know. We're a resistance. We're coming out with strong bearish divergence. We know that means that there's a possibility for action to the downside. We're looking for a trend reversal. We don't have it against the RSI, but we can confirm on the RSI by looking at this and say, look, it started point down right with the action. So we could be looking for that action downside. We got to the 20. Primary target would have been the 20, right? I always said divergence action. And then we're going to hit, right? Usually if the 20 is between here and the target, the bottom target for support, with the primary target would be the 20. We hit the 20. Try to hold support there, failed, and dropped. Now we dropped to the next area of support, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. That's fine, even from here. Low, high, nothing bullish. So nothing bullish on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, we do have some hidden bullish. That could be putting some pressure on that price to move sideways a little bit. That's what I'm looking at right now. That's the narrative that we're gonna go with for CVC. And on that note, let's move over and look at SPY. Someone said look at SPY, so let's go SPY on SPY. So I'm assuming when you say SPY, you meant this one, right? BDR, S&P 500, DFT Trust. Jesus, is this what we're looking for? Because he didn't tell me if it was a crypto or not, but I'm going to go with this one. It's the only thing I find here that says SPY. I'm going to try USD here. Oh, dude, here we go. That's against the dollar. That's fine. I guess we're looking at this. Right, let's get on the daily. This, I'm just going to look at the daily and probably the weekly. I'm not going to look into any other data points for this. Not because I don't want to, it's just because it's sort of like an EFT trust, so we're not going to be day trading these. We're not going to be doing anything with this in the short term. High to low, get targets to the upside. Let's see where we're going. 618 at 410 right now, sitting at 382. Let's zoom in here. Higher, possible, more positive. High to low. Right, there is some bearish divergence. We're actually getting that action downside here. Sorry guys, I'm not looking at the chat right now. I'm behind on some stuff here, so sorry if I'm not hanging out in the chat too much right now. I wasted a lot of time with my rant. Thank you all for being here. That's it, right? Low, high, native, less native, low, high. That's fine, man. I'm out of Caulfield. Dynamic Motorsport Experience.
What's up?
Thank you for being here, man. Right, there's nothing bullish right now. Just a bearish divergence, section downside right now. We're bringing below that 20. That's it, man. Do we have a support line? Nope. Well, I'm not sure. Actually, gonna do this line here. Yeah, we could say that we're hitting a support, right? Look, support, support, support. We fake break out of that support, breaking back in. This is what I was expecting Bitcoin to potentially do if it was able to close above 51,250, which it didn't do, right? It didn't do it. If it would have done it, it could have been this fake breakout like here, right? Break back in. You can get that. Now we're hitting that support again. It's still holding as a support, right? That's fine. So again, support there being held on the daily. Let's go to the weekly. Dr. Steven Weinstein says, bought most of my Bitcoin at $12. Doesn't that make anyone ill? Ah, Dr. Steven Weinstein, thank you very much for being here.
What's up?
You bought a lot of Bitcoin for very cheap. That makes me jelly. Shiver my timbers. Yarr. I'm not sure what to say, dude. I'm just having fun tonight. It's good. It's a good night. It's I'm tired as hell. I'm just having good fun though. What are we looking at here in Spider-Man? All right, we could be looking at this as a straight shot all the way up here, right? Low to high, high to low, bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. Now we still have this bearish divergence strong against the MACD, potential function downside still. So we're looking for a potential drop on SPY, right? That's it, dude. I'm not seeing anything bullish. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. We're dying off, right? Look at that bullishness. Every time we go up, it's with less strength, right? You can see like how it started to go up really quickly. Now it's kind of flattening out. And this, I can show you in another graph that I know it had something similar. And I know this is not a coin request or anything like that. I'm just going to show something real quick. Look at oil. Look at what oil did. Look at this on the daily, right? Oil on the daily. We were calling these moves. We called this bottom out. And then we said, look, let's get in. And it was a very quick, I think 4 times return. Look at what it did, right? It started to go up really, really fast. And then it just flattened out until it kind of like lost some steam. And just kind of stalled, right? It hit the stall for a couple of like months and then really just started to take off again, but not with the same strength that it took off here. We could be on a stall, getting to a stall there on SPY. We'll see, right? Let's keep rolling. Tesla. Let's go Tesla. Tesla. Here we go. I'm not sure what Tesla did today. I haven't looked at it. Human support. Jay. You guys are freaking crazy. You guys are insane in the chat. Jesus. I'm out of mana, meaning I'm out of drinks. So I'm wanting to go get more water. Tesla dropped today. Jesus. You know what's dropping, right? We have bearish divergence. We talked about this bearish divergence a while back. We even had this hidden bullish going to here, and I said it might not play out. Once we rejected the zone for the second time, and we confirmed that that's a resistance, it's the Tesla going down, right? We've talked about this, Tesla going down for a while. So I was hoping that this was going to be a balance that was going to retest at 20, maybe even retest this area as resistance was more. We're not getting it right now. I moved down. Probably, yeah, it's fine. Jesus. I really, doesn't have nothing to do with Bitcoin going down. Like their holdings, the amount of holdings they have on Bitcoin against what they have of worth, it's non-related, right? Tesla not doing that good. Even on the weekly, it has bearish divergence, right? Look at that. Going higher, low to high. Ignore the other data points here. They're from the daily. Just forgot to anchor them. They go from high to low, right? So again, bearish divergence. Moving down. We went support, hit that 20 on the weekly. Still trying to bounce. That's fine. Hidden bullish starting to be built. I talked about this the other day. I just haven't traced it. But I remember we called this hidden bullish. I'm waiting for the week to end to draw it, but we'll put it in here right now, right? We just have one more day to go. What the heck? We might hold on to it. So here we go. Hidden bullish on the weekly. Back on the daily, right? What Tesla is doing on the daily. What Tesla is doing on the daily. What Tesla not doing on the daily. Yeah, Tesla tanked. That's fine. Let's go to bat, I guess. I mean, not really a lot to look here, right? We know it had the bearish divergence. It's fine. Let's move. Let's move on. Bat. The bat. What is the bat doing? Not sure yet, Mohammed. It's I think it still hasn't really shown bullishness right now. It could pull up again, maybe. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at Tesla. Maybe by midday analysis, if I do it tomorrow, I'll be able to look at it. Let's go to bat. What is the bat doing? What is the bat doing? Again, we had the hidden divergence. Action sideways, right? We did move up, came back down. Sideways more or less. Look at that. We just keep flatlining here around 487.93 cents, which again is fine. Hidden bullish still there. We haven't shaken it off. And potential for action to the upside again. Still there. Maybe sideways motion to continue. If Bitcoin doesn't go full on bearish, it could still be good. 4 hour, we had the hidden bullish, right? Or sorry, not the hidden, the strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. Moving up slightly, hitting that 20, rejecting high to low, low. High to low, high to low. Nothing bearish. Geez, nothing bearish, man. Hit bullish still in play. If we fail to drop lower on the previous low, we could be looking for a pump to come in. Just neutral at 41.03. Below the 20 moving average. Back consolidating in price discovery. Good question. I'm not sure. I have to zoom out in the daily. Let me go to the daily again before I actually do the 1 hour. It's not consolidating in price discovery. It has been at this level before. We have been higher before, way back here. So it's not price discovery by any means. It's consolidating after hitting an area of retrace. The 618 on the larger FIPS, I think. Yeah, on the larger FIPS scale. Oh, yeah. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Hello. We're looking for some bearishness here, which I do believe we've tracked that to there. We'll track from here to here, right? And then it would have it here in the short term. I think we did this yesterday. I just probably didn't save. It feels like, no, we didn't do this yesterday. Or did we did? Yeah, I think we did this yesterday. I just didn't save. A lot of projects had this. We might have not looked at that, but a lot of projects had this. And, you know, that hidden bearish continued against the RSI, but against the MACD, we created strong bearish move down on that. I'm not really liking this chop here. Probably not a lot of volume trading. Just gapping up and down from information on other charts or moving on other exchanges. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, low, high, negative, neutral. Neutral at 41.80. That's it. not really finding anything bullish right now. Nothing bearish besides the bearishness that we had back then. No, we're getting a sideways motion. Again, indecision, right? Indecision. We don't know if we want to pump or dump. Again, one quick second, guys. I'm going to get water. I'm out of coffee and I need something to drink. So be right back. We are back. If you stick with us through at breaking and you still haven't done it, hit the like button itself. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. No, it's not in the description. It's up top pinned on the top of your chat box because the one in the description changes every day. So I just need to remove it from there, I guess. Because we no longer have that because we're getting bot attacks. We're getting bot attacks. What goal? What's the goal? 150? Where are we at? Ooh, 136. I like it. 174 people watching. Come on, guys. 174 people watching. We can do it. It's an easy goal. It doesn't cost anything to hit that sub. It just takes like maybe 2 calories of energy to move your finger. Minimize the screen a little bit. Hit the like and then maximize the screen again. Like 2 calories they're gonna burn. It's exercise. Hitting the like is exercise. Hitting the like every day makes you lose weight because you're actually exercising your finger. We're gonna be ZRX. That's the next one, right? Yeah, I had a BZRX here because someone a while back was trying to pump this on hype, and I saw him take a huge hit. I can't remember which someone on YouTube was calling this, and they were like, "Oh, this is gonna pump so much." It was like back here, and all I saw was like it was probably here around 28 cents. 28 cents, and then I saw tank more, and I'm like, "Geez, you called this way down here, man." I mean, it is pumping now, but again, the bull market hit, so I was calling the best in price possible at this level. So I was like, yeah, I'm not thinking that's the best in. Brent says, that's probably false advertisement. I was 220 pounds before starting the stream, now 832. That's because your bags got so big, man, and you have all that crypto in your pocket. Yo, burn. There we go. There it is, man. So you put on weight because you just are acquiring more crypto, Brent. Don't come here lying to me. I know what your shenanigans. I know your shenanigans. Keep rolling, man. Got them fat pockets, bro. Yeah, I know, Brent. I know. Right on. BZRX, dude. What is this doing? What the hell?
At the state of crypto SQQQ, little off topic, but I'm interested in your opinion.
Yo, sure. Why not? Hey, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate it. There it is. One off, dude. Thank you, Justin. Thank you very much for that. SQQQ. Sure, man. Dude, right after BZRX. SQQQ. Q. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll check it out. Right, let's roll. Higher, higher, and higher. Nothing bearish. Pulling back down, probably the rest of the market low, high. In the morning, geez, some hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside, potential action to the upside. I'm actually gonna fib this in a second, right? Man. Got a second, man. Yo, we got a second. Gonna fib it. Gonna fib the heck out of this chart, man. Sold at 37.93. Jesus. I don't think this point here is an outlier, so I'm gonna consider it for the analysis and go high to low. Retracing, hitting that 50%. Now we're trying to find support and breaking below the 336. Not being the strongest right now. Go to the 4-hour chart. Right. At least some good news. So we're starting to create some bullish there. Strong. By going lower right now in price. Again, everything that we do in retrospect, right? When we start looking at things behind that already played, they really don't bring anything to the analysis. It just gets us the flow of how the project has been behaving towards bullish moves or bullish tendencies or signals, right? That's the word I was looking for. How it's been behaving to bullish signals and whether or not they've been playing out with strength. If they're not playing out with strength, we're bearish, right? We're going from here to here. And here we did come lower, so from here to here. Look at some bullish divergence. Try to pump, hit the 20, reject it, created more bullish divergence against the RSI this time. Sold at 35.38. Let's see if we can manifest this into a pump, right? Yeah, so 35.19. Little 1 hour mark. Yo, just 10. Don't say that, man. Agent Smith gonna come right in and assimilate us back into the matrix. Yo, Talking Trash just actually made that comment as well. Yeah, we don't want to be assimilated back into the matrix, man. Just don't be commenting that. Keep that on the DL, man. Yeah, we can go here a little high. And some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Short term here. Again, bullish divergence. It has some bullish divergence. I'm not sure how strong it's going to be. It needs to break above that 236 again to go potentially to the upside. We made it. Together we made it. There it is, man. What else are we going to do for that? I don't think I have anything else to do for that. Let's do another one. There it is. I need to get more stuff into the soundboard. That's it for BZRX. Again, there's some bullishness. Gotta wait for it to play to the upside. Break above that 236. After that, we have the 20 moving average to look forward to as resistance at 42.57. This project right now, 37.69 cents. Mic drop. Let's go to S triple Q. Ooh, it is a stock. I thought it was a weird name. I wasn't sure what it was, but S triple Q. Let's get on the daily. It had some bullish divergence. Now it's playing to the upside. Great. So, like, I'm not sure if we're late to the party right now. But we have some bullish divergence. That's the first thing I'm noticing here, right? Look, action to the upside. We have it against the RSI as well. Something I'm noticing is that probably we also had it back here, right? It just didn't trigger. And also back here we got it, right? Look at this. Boom, boom. And bam, kablam, right? Here we go. All it got us to do this time is to go up, hit that 20 and reject it. Now we have it again, trying to bounce, but guess what? Guess what? On this rally, we don't have it. Ooh, that's good. I was gonna say we have some hidden divergence. We don't. Look, we flatlining, closing at the same price. Low to high, low to high. Nothing bearish, right? Nothing bearish. Let's see if we can keep on bumping on this, right? Yo, Guy Freak, what's up? Thank you very much.
Get looking.
There it is.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'll do it after S triple Q, man. Yeah, sure, I haven't looked at it, but thank you very much for asking. That's so awesome. Again, we're going sideways, low to high, just overbought at 61.88. And yeah, that's it, dude. Let's go on the weekly real quick, so I can like finish looking at this. Oh man. All right. Not gonna look the prettiest, but I'll jump over here because otherwise I'm gonna be going over data plus stuff from daily came over. So first data, we'll be going like this, right? High to low. Look at this. First of all, negative to positive. That would be bullish divergence, strong, although we don't have a new island of negative momentum. And then here, look, low to high as well, right? So again, high to low to high, strong bullish divergence. That would mean action to the upside, but we're flatlining and we're not seeing it trigger. We're just starting to consolidate, getting a lot of tightness into this Bollinger Bands in the weekly. Could mean that we could explode either way. What is the turn? What is the look for this over long? Ooh, it's just been going downhill forever. It's making all-time low, near all-time lows. Right, all-time lows were made a little bit ago, so I'm not sure I like this. I mean, sure, if it pumps and it recovers, it's gonna have a lot of potential to the upside, but where it's at right now, I'm not sure I like it, dude. It's near its all-time low. I'm gonna look at it even here. Worth $95,000, which is insanely high. Interesting. Need a Bitcoin? Sure, man. Need a Bitcoin. So let me update this here real quick to have the new coins, everything that's been requested so far. That's it. Jake, you cannibal. You're eating a rope made out of nerds? Shouldn't be eating people, man. Hex $2? Sure. Hex $2, man. I guess, I'm gonna do this. After Hex, I'm gonna put more coins to be determined. Because it's 11:25. The requests have been coming in slow. Got a lot of stuff to move through still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 6 more projects. And I think that's gonna put us targeting around the midnight, maybe past midnight. So I'll just put that to be determined whether or not we're gonna keep on doing more. All right. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to Uno. No, sorry, VT. That's the next one. VChain. Is it doing things or is it not doing things today? I haven't looked. Jesus, you guys are crazy. McConnell is Seamus. McConnell is Seamus McConnell. We established that. Buddy Seamus here His last name is McConnell. Seamus McConnell. He loves making candles of the color of the green and red rainbow of analysis. Look, here's a magical rainbow. Anyways, still moving down. Still have that hidden bullish. Ooh, again, moving down with crypto and the rest. Neutral at 45.07. That is it. Right, not a lot happening here. Heading for that 50% retrace between that 50 and that 382. We're in the middle of nowhere right now on VT. Let's go to the 4 hour. Sure, Pedro. No worries. I'll recap it in a bit. All right. Let me get through some coins. Again, bearish divergence, hidden bullish, try to pop, drop with the rest of crypto. That's fine. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish. Start bounce. Oh, gee. Like, we didn't have bearish divergence enough here. We're getting more hidden bearish divergence. Turn potential action to downside. Boom. Bada boom, right? Boom, 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 bada boom. There we go. There we go. And here we go as well, right? Now, good plan. It's extra downside. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Sold at 36.39. Not a lot here with BT, man. Other bullish. Potential double bottom starting to form, just like, what was it, Ethereum? Ethereum hat? Yeah, Ethereum Bitcoin. I think both had it, right? The potential double bottom. Let's just measure here to get this. 3.70, yeah. It's about there, right? Hi from Chile, waiting for the 38K, 40K level in Bitcoin. Interesting. Never been here from Chile. Saludos. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, potential. We had it. We went up and the throwback just ate us, right? Killed it. Double bottom didn't play. Hello and goodbye. We knew it was a possibility if Bitcoin didn't play ball. We called it. We said if Bitcoin doesn't play ball, say goodbye to the head and shoulders. Music stop. Let's play something else. No, Stymie, I do believe Amazon would benefit highly from crypto by having a blockchain way of controlling stock and other stuff. So I think crypto would be really interesting. Mike's here, man. Can you still hear me, Jake, or something? You said Mike, so I'm not sure what's wrong with the mic. Is the volume down or something? Let me know. Is that better now? I think that should be better. Maybe my mic volume went down. I'm not sure why. Music was off, yeah. Right on. I just upped the mic volume. If it's too loud, let me know. I'll lower it because I wasn't sure if we were talking about the mic. And I believe Walmart would benefit. Like Walmart, if they came out with a crypto project for Walmart, I do believe it could be really good for them. Imagine if Walmart all of a sudden you're in other part of the world. And all of a sudden you didn't have cash, but you have some Walmart coins. You can go to any Walmart and have access to money, local fiat, wherever you go. Because Walmart is in a lot of countries, right? So even if you don't have your wallet, you get mugged or whatever, it's just the fact that you could have some Walmart coin and go to any Walmart around the world and withdraw money from it. That would be interesting. Low, high. High, low, high, low. Right, nothing here. Here, the bearish divergence here, right? Only on a bag of Sam's coins. Yeah, I know. Again, bearish divergence, right? Action downside, moving down a little bit. Anyways. Nothing bullish right now. Last thing we have is this bearish divergence moving us down. That's fine. Again, we're just sideways motion. Still higher than the previous lows. Everything's good. Sold at 34.54. I mean, when I say everything is good, it's just we don't have anything, right? Let's just keep on rolling. Let's go to Uno. Why did I say Uno? Unobtainium, or whatever this project is called. Uno. There we go. On hit BTC, that was the request. Let's go watch Unobtainium at 66.1. Great. Okay, it doesn't have the best volume for trading. You can tell by the flatness of some dojis. Ooh, 8.6, great. I'm not finding anything bullish here. Higher and higher. Look, higher, positive, higher. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. This project's awkward. High to low. Right, so we got above the 618. Right now we're rejecting it, and it looks like we're going to pull back down slightly more, maybe. Jeez, I'm not looking at the best project. Uno's a game. Yeah, Uno's a game, dude. Just so long, I'm not sure, man. I'm already pre-closed the list, so we'll see. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. I'm not seeing anything here. Right, here I can play with. This I can work with, right? From here to here. And here we're going sideways on the price. I need to tell that we're going sideways. Coming high to low. High to low again. I forgot to anchor. Jeez, I gotta anchor now again. Because otherwise it's gonna be messy on the 1 hour chart. Oh no, I sent it to the 1 hour. I don't want to do that. I need to keep it in the 4, man. Keep it in the 4, man. Here we go. So. Spectre 9, what's up, dude?
What's up?
So we had strong bearish divergence, section downside, we moved down. Sideways motion, opening up, nothing bullish, bouncing. Trading medium bearish divergence, moving down again, nothing bullish right now. Neutral at 50.49. This project looks really weird, man. Low, high, low, bearish divergence. Low to high. And high to low, right? High to low. High to low, and then high to low. There we go. Low, high, negative. More negative. Looks like I'm some hidden bullish here. All right, do this, man. Some hidden bullish divergence too. Why did I do that? I just anchored it to drama. Here we go. And then sideways motion. Right. And that sideways motion here. And we're opening down, so medium bearish divergence section downside, low, high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing bullish right now. Neutral at 38.19. That's it for Uno, dude. Again, really not the best looking thing. It might go on pumping. I'm not even sure about this project, dude. It's weird. Like, there's not a lot of volume for it. Yeah, I can bring volume up. You'll see that we're gonna have very little volume here, and some dots here, right? Look, that volume's almost non-existent. And you can tell that by looking at price action, right? I'm not so sure about this project, man. I'm not sure what to think about this project. Bake. I'm not sure we've done it. That's it. I'm gonna move from this, man. This is a weird project. Let's go to comp. Compton, straight out of Compton. There you go. Let's go to the daily. Hitting bullish, trying to hold support at the 618. Still hitting that area right now. Hitting bullish still there. Neutral at 45.64. Again, not really doing much. Yeah, the bearish divergence moving us down. What do we have here? Hitting bullish. Try to pop, rejected the 20. We didn't have anything here later on, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Had a low, positive, more positive. Hidden bearish divergence for potential action to downside here. Haven't looked at this recently? Probably not. What did I just do? What did I just do? Here we go. Let's first of all unanchor that, and here we go. Great. I mean, here, right? We have that hidden bearish divergence for potential action downside, moving us down again. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral. Sorry, sold at 38.76. Again, it does have nothing bullish, just that's hidden bearish. That's moving us down. Even felt a drop lower on the previous low. We could be trying to look for some action to the upside or reaction to the upside. We don't have anything bullish yet. That's going to be it for this in the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, double bottom didn't quite play out because Bitcoin came in and ran our parade. We had bearish divergence hidden for potential action to the downside. We were looking at it before. This is from the 4 hour chart. So let's send that back real quick. Let's send this one back real quick as well. Now we're good here on this chart. Again, coming up slightly higher and even to there, right? And I'll take this in two parts. To here, again, bearish divergence, extra downside, that's fine. That tracked down to there, that tracked down to there, right? Then we went slightly higher. Look at that, boom, slightly higher. Jesus, man, it's just failing. It's failing all over the place. We had bearish divergence strong, right? And that bearish divergence would imply action to the downside. Sorry if I'm talking fast now. Just going through this chart real quick. Divergence, again, bearish action to the downside, strong bearish divergence. And with that, we're starting to move down. Now, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still, nothing bullish on the short term, very short term, right? On this last move, we're starting to create some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. And with that, again, we could be looking for a slight reversal, although it's not confirmed yet because this candle hasn't closed. This could still drop a little bit more. And with this, again, potential for action to the upside. Yay, that's it for comp. Let's go to gold. Someone said AU, so I'm not sure if they were saying AU gold or hey you. I'm kidding. Let's go to gold. Jesus, gold. Gold is something I just look on a daily. I don't even look at any time scale for gold. So let's go to look at gold at 1,763. It's dropping. Oh my God, it's dropping. Let's go on the daily. Gold is dropping. One quick second, guys. You know what time it is? It is Tea Connect time. Wife with the awesome tea hookup. Interesting there. Brent, I like that for some reason. It's a funny quote. There was a precedent that once said, bring me a one-handed economist. Because economists always say it in the other hand. Because there's always an upside and a downside, right? So, I can't remember who it was, but it says, bring me a one-handed economist. I thought it was funny. My economy teacher told me that one. I thought it was funny. It was hilarious. Anyway, still coming lower. Boom. Again. Gold. Looking like that. Still making some bullish divergence. Just found the trigger. Now, on this last bit, we have it against the RSI, low to high. Strong bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside on gold. Again, failing to play out for the last couple of times. We're waiting for it to trigger, man. Again, still coming down. It's starting to look like a falling wedge of sorts. Could break to the upside. Or falling channel, even. right? If we come from here to there, like this, why is it not choosing it? Here we go. Again, it will be a falling wedge. If you want to look at the channel, you would ignore that spike over there, and then you would go like this, right? And say, look, it's a downsloping channel. So again, two ways to look at this, right? That's a pretty good joke, yeah. Anyways, that's it for gold. Again, we have some bullish divergence. Hasn't played out. Last thing we had was this bearish divergence. Moving us down since gold at $1,762 per troy ounce. Let's go to ADA. You might be wondering, why did he say troy ounce and not just ounce? Why does troy have to do with this? Well, troy ounces are different. They weigh a little bit less than an actual ounce. A fraction. I'll show you. Or a little bit more, I think, than an actual gram. Or something like that. It's than an actual gram. In grams, they're different. It's 31.8 to... It's 31.10348. 31.01. Yeah, let's let me check it out here. 1 troy ounce. So this is one I just checked, right? 1 troy ounce is 31.1035. I usually go one more digit because this is the way I was taught how to do it when I was trading metals. So, yep. And then 1 ounce, 1 regular ounce is just 28 grams. So it's a couple more grams for a troy ounce. That's why gold and silver, I weighted. If someone tells you an ounce of gold, they're very likely referring to a troy ounce. In most cases, at least when you're trading. Talk about the stuff that's London or LME gold. We'll be talking about to you in ounces. You're talking about troy ounces. You get to convert. This is 31.01. No, 31.10348. That is the actual number. As we go in decimals. So there it is, man. Some quick learning for y'all. Good day, mate. Craig, you're leaving? Thank you for being here, man. Someone said goodbye, so assuming you're leaving, but thank you for being here, man. I really appreciate it. Thanks for showing up for the stream. GA, get a bounce. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Let's keep rolling, man. Bitcoin falling. I'll go there in a second, man. Cardano to Bitcoin. Someone said do this. Jesus, what's up? Oh, GA, thank you very much for that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That's so cool.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, dude. Much appreciated, bro. That's so awesome, dude. It didn't come with anything written attached to it. So, thanks. The message is be silent. You should silence yourself. Anyways. Hold the Bitcoin line. I'm going to go back to Bitcoin after this. Again, bearish divergence, right? Potential fraction of downside, or at least for ADA to lose value against Bitcoin. Right now, worth 2,222 sats. Ooh, that's a magical number. That's Seamus. It's a repeated 2. Low, high, high to low. Again, strong bearish divergence against the MACD, but not against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're cool. We're going higher. That's fine. Nothing bullish. Again, if I'm just calling the bearishness right now, it's nothing bullish here. Craig, thank you for joining us, man. Thank you everyone for being here, by the way. If you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. For else. Join us on Discord. Link is up top, pinned on the message. So, do those little things that are going to pop up on your screen. Follow that advice. Hit the like button, sub. That's the only advice I'll give. Because I cannot give you advice in this channel. Load high. Short term move here, bearish divergence from there to there. From there to there. And then we're gonna go over here, man. Made it here, right? Action downside, moving down slightly. Hitting that 20. Low, high, native, less native, low, high, neutral. Have 52.53, that's it, dude. That's 8 to Bitcoin. It might lose value against Bitcoin. Someone said Bitcoin's fallen. Oh my God. Where is it? 46,200? Yeah. That's fine. Remember I told you this could look a little bit like a bear trap? We'll see, man. We'll see. There is support at 45,467. 46, it's really not a big support. It just could be a psychological support. Worked twice there. Once here at 46,000 on the dot, and once here at 46,010. So again, we can still drop more and make the double bottom that I was telling you guys, right? By someone said double bottom potential. I said yes, but look, you also have a double top that could bring you all the way down here. However, if we hold on to this, right, it needs to drop. Like we're getting closer to where it looks more like an actual double bottom, right? Look, the measure from here to here, it's almost nothing. 2%, 2.5%.
Love the stream, learning heaps. Would love you to take a look at link. Feels like it's being held back.
Nathan Kelly, dude, thank you so much for the kind donation.
With me.
Legendary, man. That's so cool, man. Thank you very much. There it is. One up. Yo, for sure, man. For sure, man. Let's look at link. Let's put it in the list. I'll go to it right after I do Bitcoin, right? Again, someone said on the 15-minute chart, Bitcoin had a rising wedge, and I said, sure, man. Sure. If we go like this, and we go like this, and ignore that area here, and we said it's a fake breakout, it could be a rising wedge that tends to break to the downside. Breaking down. So whoever was it that brought this up, congrats, it is playing out. Look, it hit target already. Jeez, and then it might hit more. So I told you guys, Bitcoin looks undecided. It doesn't look too strong right now. I told you my outlook is since yesterday or a couple days ago. I'm saying it's not as strong for Bitcoin in the short term. All right, long term still bullish AF, right? Short term, it's a little bit bearish, right? It's a little bit bearish. Any chance you could calm the lights in the back down a bit? I can't. They're Christmas lights. They're set to that mode. They only go there or faster. Wow, yeah, I can try to do something. One quick second. Oh, let's see if those ones stay there, man. That's usually how they are. The other modes are crazier. Oh, Bitcoin again, taking on 46K. Someone said link. I'm gonna go do link, and we'll come back to Bitcoin. Hopefully, it'll still be at 46. Oh, 46,000, 45,990. Oh no, it's crashing. It's going to smithereens. Don't panic. It's good. We've been saying that Bitcoin needed to be above certain levels since yesterday for it to not go moving down. MA, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Thanks for all the help, man. Much appreciated. Again, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do that one. Thank you very much. Yeah, but look, man, I think we gotta drop a little bit more. Casper, thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
Let's do link, and we'll come back to Bitcoin, right? It's gonna have support. We already wicked it at 45,467, where we got to 45,574. So very close. Again, don't panic. If you're like, when did you get into Bitcoin? That'll be my question. If you got into Bitcoin, like the only reason you're worried right now is if you're like over leveraged or you're overexposed, or you're just buying at the top. That's like the three reasons. You bought the top, you're scared. That's fine. you're over leveraged or you're overexposed to Bitcoin, right? That means that your portfolio is not balanced and you're more heavy into Bitcoin than other assets. And obviously Bitcoin tanking is going to affect your return on investment for your portfolio. So that would be a second option. And then the other one's you're over leveraged. That means it's just, that's bad. If you're over leveraged, you're bad. Anyways. Look, it's fine. Right now, it's still good. It's still not dying. Still go to 43,000 and try to find support there. We'll see. We'll see once we get there, man, right? Right, William. You get to buy Bitcoin at a lower price, right? Let's go check out Link. Linked $1, 24.11, right? Yeah, maybe. You're probably over leveraged, but I bet. Still dropping with Bitcoin, right? It's following Bitcoin. It's following, yeah. Someone said Link, it came with a comment, feels like it's being held back. It's a Bitcoin effect. That's what it is, Nathan Kelly. It is the Bitcoin effect. Bitcoin tanking is going to put pressure on the whole market to go down. So we'll see. The false flags say breaking down facts. Yes, facts need to be broken down. Dude. Neutral 41.13. Nothing else happening here. The hidden bullish. We're breaking below that 618. Here again, breaking below $25 support. Not good. Rejecting it twice. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Well, I mean, the only good thing that it has, and I'm not sure it's gonna play out, but we'll call it because it's there right now, is this potential little bottom. And I'm not sure it's gonna, if Bitcoin tanks, it's not gonna matter. Right, the line of confirmation would be here. And to anchor this here on the 4 hour, otherwise it's gonna go make a mess in my 1 hour chart. Low, high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing bullish, right? So usually it's best when we get to this double bottom and we're creating some bullish divergence, right? That happens when this drops slightly lower than this low, have less negative momentum, we have some strong bullish divergence, that means action to the upside, we're probably above the 200 moving average, we might get another cross here of the MACD over the signal line, and with that, we could be looking for a pump to happen. That would actually be really good for Bitcoin, but let's keep looking, man. Again, here the measure move 33% to the upside. Let's measure. 32. Ooh, 33, that's close enough. Oh, I'll just do a line here. Target for it to the upside around $37 if it double bottom goes over that confirmation line and triggers, right? Right now, it's still on a drop. We don't know if that double bottom is going to play out. I keep saying potential because it's not there yet, right? It could go going lower and we no longer have it at the bottom. It's just a possibility right now. That's it for a link on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour link. Low to high, negative, less negative, low, high, neutral. Sold, oversold at 29.72. Again, just in the very short term, on this last itty bitty drop, we have some bullish divergence strong for potential action to the upside. Again, Bitcoin keeps on tanking. It's not going to matter. It won't matter, man. Nothing else matters if Bitcoin tanks. Metallica said it, not me. Right on, the last one, Hex. Hex to the dollar. Hex Woods. Someone said Hex. Hex at 0.8 cents. Let's go to daily Hex. The false flag says, I want to break up broke. By the way, guys, some of my thumbnails do have hidden messages for y'all. Where the bears at? Bang. Psych. Right? Bearish. Looks like under the bridge again. And yep, looks like we might sleep under the bridge again, right? This one from 2 days ago. Flash crash. So yeah, quirky things I put there sometimes. Hex on daily, bullish divergence, section ups and high low, positive, positive, high low. Dropping probably with the rest of the market, hitting that tier 2 moving down, low high, negative less, negative low, high, neutral, sold at 39, nothing happening here. Let's go to the 4 hour. For some reason my thing here is crazy. Hex on the 4 hour, low, lower. I rarely look at my Discord when I'm live, but I just said I had 9 pings or something, so I want to make sure everything was okay. Thanks, Stymie. We had more earlier. Some viewership has dropped. More will flock in when Bitcoin drops more, I guess. But by that time, we'll be off the air, and they missed all the magical stuff that we talked about. Feels sad for the people that don't watch State of Crypto. Anyways, bullish divergence, section to the upside, high, low, positive, more positive. Dude, it's just some bearish divergence here, hidden bearish. Let's put pressure on the price to go down again, right? Should you subscribe? Maybe. How often do I go live? Every night. I'm not sure. Should you subscribe? Yeah, if you ask me, I would say yes, but it's up to you. If you like the show, subscribe. If you don't like the show, you know, it's up to you, bro. I'll usually say yes, but it's entirely up to you. Only you have the power, and only you can make the choice. Hey, man. By the power of Credit Skull, right? And didn't they used to come with like some messages like that back in the 80s? Cause knowledge is power. Go planet. Oh, it's Captain Planet. Wrong cartoon. 5909, 5821, had a again bearish divergence, strong action downside going down there. Hex, I don't like the chart Hex. Cause the chart's really freaking weird, man. I don't like the chart for Hex. Look at the data. It's just so botchy. Oh man. Yeah, I mean, it has bearish divergence on the short term. Low, high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing bullish. Neutral at 48.93. That's it, dude. Hex done. I don't like looking. The Hex chart's really weird most of the time, at least on these lower time scales. Frank Castle in the house. I didn't play.
What's up?
There you go. I actually had my Punisher shirt the other day. Yesterday I had my Punisher shirt, which is pretty legit. Yeah, no worries, man. Talking trash, I don't mind looking at it. It's just on the 1 hour time scale, it's like not the best chart to look at. The 4 hour is still very manageable. The 1 hour is so weird. Look at it. It's so choppy. It's like blah, 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 blah. You don't get a clear read on the chart. So it makes it harder to like look at it, right? Yeah, but Brent was 20 years old when that happened, so obviously he didn't want to watch Captain Planet. It's like, what is this 80s cartoon you want me to watch, Ma? Come on. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin 59.8. Finding support at support. Great. We open a new candle. It's midnight. Hit the low, 45,515. We have our target at 45,467. It's winning $100 on a 40,000 plus move. It's a good project with a bad chart. Yeah, I don't like the chart. Brent, how old were you when you sold your first gun to Moses? I'm just giving you grief, bro. I know you sold Noah a crossbow so he could get the animals into the ark. So don't come here lying to me about your age. Oh, Sensei was good, man. That's it. I'm not gonna look at any more charts for tonight. It's midnight. I was there to arm the Revolutionary War. Pleased to meet you. Can you guess my name? Who? I'm not sure, man. I don't think I'm gonna get that reference. May I say Doctor Who or something? Not sure, man. Talking about Deezer? I'm not sure, man. Sympathy for the Devil? I'm not sure what you're talking about here. Pleased to meet you. Not sure. That's what I'm going with. That's it. Let's keep looking at Bitcoin. Try to bounce. All right. So where's Bitcoin at? Hit support at around 45,400. I'm going to call it hit support, even though we know it's $100 off. It's just close enough, dude. It's close enough for a hit. Brent, did you go down to Georgia and you were looking for a soul to steal? But you were in a bad bind because you were behind and you were willing to make a deal? Then you saw a poor fiddle boy. Is that you? Sympathy for the Devil? Yeah, I already said Sympathy for the Devil earlier. But I said Deezer though, not the Rolling Stones. $39 centuries. Burn. Look at this. We were like 0.12% off target. To me, that's close enough. Ah, look at it. It's bouncing with strength. Tell me, it does have bullish divergence. Now, with that last drop, it has some bullish divergence for action to the upside. Yeah. I like to see this, man. I'm not sure when to get it here. 28, 2862, 2882, high to low still. But against the MACD, we have some strong bullish divergence. Potential correction to the upside. It looks like we're going to bounce a little bit here. Support? Yeah. You may be the old man in the group. Stymie, how old are you? Again, that could get us to resistance at 46,834, right? Woo! Awesome, dude. Happy birthday. Ahead of time. You said a couple weeks. I'm not sure what a couple weeks is. A couple weeks could be 2, 3, 4, 7 weeks. Half a year. Just a couple weeks. Right, man. Let's keep on looking at stuff. I went through everything. It's past midnight. I think I'm gonna call it a stream on account that we've done over. As we could say 22, 23 projects. So that's still a good day. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it, man. I'm looking at the chat, making heads of tails as to what's happening in the chat because I think I'm up to date with the chat, sorta. Nathan Kelly, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Thanks for your kind support and watch and views. Might be signing off now. Someone said something here. Nope. I would not suggest you do that. Have a good night. Yo, thanks. You too, man. Mr. 1X. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. It's been an awesome stream. It's been great being here with you guys at the State of Crypto. Again, it's a pleasure being here. And this awesome Thursday night. I hope you have a great time. Again, if you like what we do, talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Join us on Discord. Links at the top. It changes every day, so we're gonna have to be changing it every day. You join me on Patreon too. Wait, what? I'm waiting, Gavin. I'm waiting. Gavin says, wait. And then he's gonna tell me nothing. Yeah, I think he's gonna pull a Stewie. He's like, Mama, Lois, what? Hi, and then goes away. What? Jesus.
Love you less than 3.
What the hell, dude? Oh, there it is.
Say it with me.
Legendary, Gavin.
Thank you very much.
That's awesome, dude. Dude.
Fatality.
That's awesome, dude. What else is I gonna do?
Hail to the king.
Dude, hail to the king, dude. Thank you very much. Gavin for the kind donation there. Yo, worth the wait, man, for sure, man. Oh, thanks so much for that, man. You have a request? Sure, man. Hit me with the request, man. Bitcoin? Sure, let's do Bitcoin, man. Which Bitcoin? Which Bitcoin, man? Canadian Bitcoin or regular Bitcoin? I'll ask, because last time you wanted Canadian Bitcoin, and gotta know which one, man. Can you analyze Bitcoin and pray? Sure, man. By analyze, I mean pray. Just pray. Sure, man, I'll pray. At least you're out of your long, and that's an important thing. Again, potential level bottom forming, right? We talked about that in the 4-hour. We are still a little bit higher than we want to close this 4-hour candle, but it's still within the percentage point that's tolerable for a potential level bottom here, right? It's a 1.29%. Again, this double bottom might come to fruition. We'll see. We'll see. It's still not there yet, right? Still not there yet. A lot of indecision on Bitcoin. Let's see. If we manage to get above this line, we could be on target to hit this line. Then above that line, we could be further bottom. Dude, I wasn't serious. Get off. I know. I was just looking at the double bottom. Because we just closed the candle and it would close at 45, so. I know, dude. Gavin, I got it. I'm gonna pray for you, man. I was just looking at this real quick. That's it, guys. Again, if you like what we do here, remember all the information that we produce here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Don't trade based on what you see here. Again, we're just bouncing ideas. Although most of them do play out, just bouncing ideas though, right? Because we're not financial advisors and we're not telling you what the market's gonna do. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me tonight again. And I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Study Crypto. Until then.